Amitabh I find okay only. Good.
Huh?
I don't think he's a great actor.
Who do you think you
Even
are?
Amir,
Naseeruddin
even
Shah,
Amir
dude.
Shah.
Winter clay, सो जा. I
How
love
you
this
ask-
game.
I
What a
literally
fun
told
game.
this.
भाई बहुत tough questions है यार.
Like
ए,
that
तू
scene
बड़ा
from
हुलूड़ क्या हो रहा है
2.5 more.
अबे यार क्या जिंदगी है लानत है.
जिंदगी झंडवा
अरे क्यों
हमने कहा क्या?
quick.
Honestly speaking, I think Rishi Kapoor is a better actor.
You think about it, वरुण धवन, डेविड धवन का बेटा होने का तो बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है.
That's absolutely true, dude.
अच्छा लगता है ना ऐसा बॉलीवुड क्विज में
Nice.
ऐसे बड़े-बड़े
Yeah,
ओपिनियन.
yeah.
बड़े-बड़े
थोड़ा
opinion
लगे कि
थोड़ा
अपने को पता है बॉलीवुड के
Yes,
बारे में.
yes. Yes, he got it. Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge you figure out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. I'm Andresh Thakkar. Joining me on the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They're writers, they're both content creators. First up, we have Vinay Sharma! Yes.
बादशाह बेगम.
Okay, good enough. Now the voice of Vinay Sharma. Also joining us is Abhijit
Nice.
Ganguly.
That's a level of trash talk.
Yes,
मैं
great.
मैं आदमी हूँ.
मुझे और बोलना था वो he's in a hurry. मेरे पास और भी सामान था. You want?
बोल हाँ फिर go.
मैं तो just like I just wanted the audience to know कि ये पहले कर चुका है ये.
Oh, अच्छा वैसा.
So if he wins, he basically should win ideally. If he loses, that'll be a big thing.
You know the
So
best
this is
part of
absolutely
this was
true.
before we started इससे बोला भी कि ये
हाँ.
बात ना fact ऐसे वीडियो में पहले बोल देने का. And
So
you
he's
did not
doing
encourage it.
immediately.
मैं ही बाल डाल
He's
देता हूँ.
like, before it even gets going, we'll just
I would've
put it in
bought
there,
this
dude. So basically, yes, you're absolutely right, Vinay. This is Abhijit is kind of a legendary figure in terms of That Filmy Game Show, the filmy game show universe.
So if
Because
I lose, it's not a big deal.
it's not a big deal at all.
Even if
Because Abhijit is Abhijit is one of two people in history to have scored points while the other person, their competitor on their episode, scored a full 0.
Right.
Okay? It has only been with Abhijit versus Anu Menon and Sonali Thakkar versus Saurabh Pant, where Abhijit won this his episode and Sonali won her episode and the other person scored 0.
And incidentally,
The
Anu
thing
Menon
is-
has been on Hindi movies. Like she's actually acted
Correct.
in a lot of Hindi
Yes.
movies. And
You're right.
it's
Absolutely, dude.
hilarious,
She
yeah.
was part of that universe for
Yeah,
years
yeah,
and
yeah.
still is. For sure, that's crazy that she got a 0.
End में by the time the podcast ended, she just went all like, हमको हिंदी नहीं आता है.
Yeah.
That's why
Lola
our
Kutsi.
score is less.
The reason some of you
By
might
the
not
way,
know
if,
about this
if,
episode. Yeah.
if I lose today, I'd like to come back again with either
Anu Menon. Either
or
Anu.
Saurabh Pant, one of these.
Or a pun.
Great. So basically, that episode with Abhijit and Anu Menon, some of you might not have seen it. Actually, none of you would have seen it because it's an unaired episode. It never released because there was some footage that got damaged. Okay?
वो अनु नहीं
But
किया है.
Abhijit, even
अनु
just
नहीं
because.
damage किया, चप्पल से तोड़
हाँ,
के गई
correct,
वो तेरे
correct.
hard disk.
Anu नहीं. So basically, like, I remember this happening, okay? We found out after recording the episode, the footage is damaged. Oh, fuck, man. We spent like the first day we spent trying to recover the footage if at all possible, but नहीं हुआ. Second day, I had to call up Abhijit.
पैसे तब से ही कम होने लग गए थे.
We had to be about now. So I call up Abhijit. I'm like very apologetic. Like, oh man, dude, I'm so sorry. You know, this is what has happened. The footage है ही नहीं अनु का. Like, हम क्या करें? So we can't release this episode. And Abhijit like, यार, चल ठीक है यार. चल, you can ask her again if she wants to come back. So I call up Anu मैंने. Okay. I call up.
Thanking God.
I would like to nominate Saurabh Pant for this task.
So exactly, I called up Anu. Okay, hey Anu, this is what has happened. I'm so sorry. This is very embarrassing. Whatever. And can I please? I know you had a horrible showing on the Video Show. Can I please have you back on the show? She's like, yaar, so this is like a blessing in disguise. You know, I was so flabbergasted as to how badly I performed on that episode. Why will I come back and do it again? Yeah. So yeah, I was very sad. But oh well, what are you gonna do? So welcome, Vinay. Thank you for doing this. Abhijit, thank you for doing this.
I stay close by only. So
Oh yes, you do. Stay
wasn't
very close
a
by.
big deal for me to come.
Is this
To
the?
convey that he won't have gone much out
Yeah.
of this comfort zone for this.
Would
Still,
this?
3 auto wala said no to me.
That's true. Yeah, wow. Fucking auto guys, dude. Everywhere. Is this the closest comedy venue now to you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1
Wow. see?
kilometer.
Huh?
1 kilometer exactly.
1 kilometer, dude. Wow. That's fucking awesome. I stay also very close by, but let's not share where we live.
Yeah, we are very important people, obviously.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
should
What
not
if
share.
you don't know, man?
Doxing
All
हो
this-
जाएगी भाई.
No, no.
doxing.
Yeah.
Testicle. What if all the girls are like, oh my god.
Oh, Vinay Sharma stays here.
Trick and Vinay, oh.
Wow, dude. Excellent. Okay, we have a little bit of an audience. A lot of the audience members are repeat audience because they are fans of the show. And I'm saying a lot as if like pura full house. Like there are like 4 people in the audience. Welcome guys, welcome. Amjad, Karan, right? Karan, Ashish of course, and Nidhi. Welcome. That's Abhijit's spouse. Yes, he raised his hand.
We keep
Abhijit
meeting.
raised his hand.
From time to time we keep meeting.
Yeah, correct. Sometimes. So cool. What is the most recent Hindi Bollywood movie that you've seen? It can be in the theater, it can be on OTT, Netflix, Amazon, whatever. It can be a show also, a Hindi show if you saw recently with prominent Hindi actors.
Help me
Anyone see
out.
Honey Bunny? Anyone see that Amazon Honey Bunny?
Honey Bunny.
This is Citadel ka Indian version, Indian part of it, which is starring Varun Dhawan and Samantha Ruth Prabhu.
आ चुकी है.
अभी अभी आई है ना, कल ही आई, परसों ही आई, ऐसा कुछ. Yeah, just came out.
उनका एक फोटो शूट आया है जिसमें वरुण धवन थोड़ा अजीब सा स्क्वाट करके बैठा हुआ है. वो देखा था मैंने.
That's Tiger Baby. Baby John.
Oh, that's Baby John. उसमें भी समांथा है क्या?
नहीं समांथा के साथ इसका एक फोटो शूट आया
हाँ.
जिसमें समांथा इज लुकिंग लाइक वेरी hot and all and Varun Dhawan is looking like Varun Dhawan.
Not hot.
डेविड धवन का बेटा जैसा best दिख सकता है.
However, David Dhawan's son looks. What else you expect?
If you think about it, Varun Dhawan डेविड धवन का बेटा होने का तो बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है.
That's absolutely true, dude. Luckily, he got his looks from his mom. Yeah. Can you imagine trying to be a hero looking like David Dhawan? Poor guy. He's not making it, dude. Talking about David Dhawan, a pet peeve of mine, not pet peeve, like a favorite thing of mine to do is look at Govinda interviews. Like even today, if you see Govinda interviews, now he has just become the guy who shits on the people he's worked with previously because they aren't giving him work. Okay, of David Dhawan, Govinda says
But that's still okay. I mean, he's at least not shooting them.
he's shooting only himself. Yes, that's absolutely right. Like, अगर गोली मारूंगा तो खुद को गाली दूंगा बाकी सबको.
But this actually, when I read the news, I was like, this is straight out of a Govinda picture only.
Yeah, खुद को
Shooting
गोली
a
मार-
foot is just
Yeah,
such a like ये metaphor हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है मतलब समझ ही नहीं आया था. पहले मैं पढ़ा था कि he shot himself in the foot.
Have you heard the rumors? The rumor is that how he shot himself in the foot.
And it was 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, was I don't know. I don't know the
He's
timing.
Really not sober, huh?
Yeah.
Are you
No,
implying
so
not sober?
dude,
He had a
there-
flight
the
in the morning
rumors
to
are.
catch.
This is on Reddit and all. I don't know how true this is. Correct me if I'm wrong. Basically, that they were like, this guy has taken money from loan sharks.
Govinda.
Govinda has.
Okay.
Okay, and they were like roughing him up, and a part of that was shooting him in the leg.
ए विंटर क्ले सो जा.
Yes, correct.
Like that
तू
scene
बड़ा
from-
हुलूड़ क्या उड़ा रहा है?
अनुपम खेर साइड पे बेटा तूने कब सीखा ये लैंग्वेज.
So, okay, I was saying to Govinda, okay, about David Dhawan. Govinda says that, like the amount of movies I have done with David Dhawan, okay, even his son won't do, which is just true. This is facts. Because I think with Govinda, David Dhawan has done like more than 20, 25, 30 films. And with Varun Dhawan, he's done like 3 maybe, if that, right?
Because Varun would need scripts, no? Govinda
Yeah,
would just
Govinda
go
was like
and do impromptu live screenplay.
Dude,
Everything was live.
Can you imagine that, dude? What a
What
time.
a time to be alive.
What a
Like,
time.
What a crazy time, man.
Yeah.
I was a big Govinda fan.
yeah.
Big,
Huge.
big Dule Raja fan.
Man,
One of my favorite movies of all time.
fuck yeah, man.
You start watching Dule Raja बहुत मजा आ
I
रहा है.
saw it in
Raja
the
is the
flight like
best
2
film.
weeks back.
Dude, I watch it all the time.
Coming from
It's-
Goa, I saw the movie.
Dule Raja is a constantly running movie in my house. My entire family loves it. We know the entire movie by heart. The best scene is when Govinda and Kader Khan meet first time beside the swimming pool. And he's like, अच्छा क्या चाहिए आपको, हमारे पास ये है वो है. John Lever's giving the whole menu and all. Like अच्छा एक सबका ले आओ, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या चाहिए. Then he has a fight because he says कि ओ आपकी घर में बेटी है, कुंवारी बेटी है, शादी कर लो whatever मेरे साथ, And Kader Khan gets angry and Govinda's like, अच्छा सेठ जी आपका बुरा वक्त आ गया और अगर यकीन नहीं आ रहा ना तो अपना टाइम देख लो. Turns out he was holding coffee or like chai or milk or something in his hand. And he drops it on his head, which is such a basic joke.
basic.
Love it, dude. Only Govinda.
Johnny Lever is going मैं तो आपकी तरफ हूँ.
ये कैसा मेरी तरफ है?
मैं तो
आपका नमक है.
उंगली उसकी तरफ, लेकिन दिल आपकी तरफ.
दिल क्या कर रहा है? Even his wife, Kader Khan's wife, also says the same thing. She says, "तू मेरी तरफ है उसकी तरफ." She says, "मैं तो आपकी तरफ हूँ." Like, ये कैसे है? Makes no sense. I love it.
My favorite scene in the movie was जब वो रवीना को बोलता है ना कि तू किसी गुंडे मवाली से शादी कर ले लेकिन मैं तेरी इससे शादी नहीं करूँगा.
Yeah,
So she finally gets Govinda
Govinda.
convinced.
correct.
So when that unveiling happens, that Kader Khan gets to know it's Govinda, he turns back towards Kader Khan. He says,
Yeah. Correct.
that head movement, dude, it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
so funny.
Yeah.
And so Govinda.
That's a fourth wall break moment also, because right after that he says कि चाहे looking straight in the camera, okay, after Kader Khan has passed out, Govinda goes, अब चाहे इनको मौजे से सुंघाएं या प्याज, होश तो इनको इंटरवल के बाद ही आएगा. Then interval happens.
So cheesy. This was only in 90s that you can pull off such a cheesy thing.
Correct, absolutely, dude. What a time. Dulhe Raja, fucking it. So your favorite, you would say Govinda movie is
Hands
Dulhe
down.
Raja. What would you
Followed
say?
by Hasina Maan Jayegi.
Again, bro. Man, excellent. Oi, good zali lalu. Shabji, जो भांजा है वही भतीजा है, जो भतीजा है वही भांजा है, जो भी मामा है, कोई चाचा.
Hasina, that Kareena Kapoor playing basketball.
Yes, that's the one. That's
scene,
just
like,
before
in
the
a
song.
golf course.
Yes. Yeah. He's playing basketball
tennis
with
costume.
a football.
Tennis costume.
Yeah, in a tennis costume on a golf course.
And it's like
So many layers.
so many sports, man. It's just so sports. Like, which sport do you want to play? All. Just fucking.
One of my so Govinda had his partnership.
Who decides which ball will come? Like, what's that designation
जो
on the
set के
set?
पास है
Set,
भाई.
like, ये
Production,
set designer होता है,
production design.
ये
Yeah,
पता
whatever.
करना कौन है.
Art department, I think it will be.
हाँ,
Some AD there.
उसको
Or
बुलाया
maybe,
एक बार इधर
you know,
इस interview
actually
के लिए.
think about it. What if David Dhawan planted it on purpose? He's like,
I don't
years later, someone will figure this out and it'll be a running joke, dude.
I don't think so.
Who knows?
Probably script कुछ और ही होगा. गोविंदा ने आके चेंज करा दिया होगा. जो बॉल मिली, जो कपड़े मिले, गोल्फ कोर्स पे थे, चलो इधर ही चालू करो.
Yeah. For sure, man.
दूल्हे राजा सीन ऑफ जिसमें लिफ्ट में रवीना टंडन दूर बैठी है और सडनली
Cockroach आता है.
ये क्या मैडम अचानक से झटके
ऐसे जो आके तुम मेरे सीने से लगी हो.
और वो कॉकरोच को ऐसे बोल रहा है क्या तू क्या आदमी है वो.
Thank you, cockroach, my बाप.
निकालते वक्त रवीना को हेल्प करते हैं सिक्योरिटी गार्ड एंड लाइक अरे मुझे भी निकालना.
अरे तेरे को सिर्फ लड़की को निकालने के लिए रखा गया है.
उसी में तो वो डायलॉग था, तुम्हारी लड़की कभी दिखी नहीं, दिखी
दिखी
तो
नहीं,
बात
मिली
मिली नहीं, बात मिली तो बात आगे बढ़ी नहीं.
And then right after that is the song क्या चलती है हाय रब्बा. Man, excellent. What a time. Okay, so we were coming to the most recent films that you guys have seen.
इतना बड़ा सेगवी इसलिए किया था क्योंकि इसका आंसर याद नहीं आ रहा.
No, and
नहीं, मैं
actually,
देखता तो रहता हूँ,
anything.
मुझे कुछ याद
Do
नहीं
you-
आ रहा है. Maybe
are you guys
last few
big-
English ही देखी होगी.
Okay, that's fine. कौन सी देखी फिर?
वो भी याद नहीं आ
Do you are you guys big on going to the theaters?
I like
Yeah,
going
yeah.
to theater.
Yeah.
I really want to go to theater more, but आजकल पिक्चर भी बहुत ही कम आ रही है.
यार
मैं तो
Yeah.
मैंने भैंचो सिंघम
रही.
3 देख लिया.
I saw
सिंघम देखी
तुम्बाड़.
तूने?
बकवास.
पागल है क्या यार?
यार I went because I had to review it on another show.
सिंघम का ट्रेलर नहीं देखा जा रहा था यार.
Bro.
Review करता है.
I will talk about it on another show. But yeah, horrible. Barely able to sit through it. Everything is bad, dude. Not a single moment of like proper redemption, except for like one line in the entire film that Ranveer Singh says. Everything has a shit.
Yeah, Ranveer Singh is supposed to be good, and
Yeah.
people are saying कि Arjun Kapoor is
Arjun
the,
Kapoor
one of the
is
better
good.
parts of the movie.
So a big trait, a big characteristic of Arjun Kapoor's character in the film, no, is he has a menacing smile. And you know when people have menacing smiles in movies, they overdo it from the get-go.
Yeah.
Okay, because he does it once. And it's okay, intimidating, pretty cool. Second time, okay, still fine. Third time, fourth time, it's fine. After that, you just get irritated and want to slap the hell out of him. Like, dude, do something else. Do anything else. And just smile.
But you feel that way about Arjun Kapoor. Yeah.
Do anything else. Other than this.
कुछ कर यार तू प्रोडक्शन में चले जाना. छोड़ यार.
ये तेरा बाप कर रहा है, तू भी कर यार.
एक्चुअली अर्जुन कपूर का पता है प्रॉब्लम भी अर्जुन कपूर फील्स टू रिलेटेबल. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि अर्जुन कपूर भी ऐसे रात को फ्रिज के आगे बैठा होगा 2 बजे को. जो मेरी लाइफ है अर्जुन कपूर की लाइफ है सेम ही होगी उसकी. He just
By the way, I now remember I saw Tumbad again.
Oh,
It was re-released, so I
awesome.
went again to watch it.
Oh,
in the theater.
lovely. How was that
I
experience?
obviously
dude?
watched it in theaters when it came.
Oh, you
because
watched it in
of
theaters when it
release.
came?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a rare one, dude. That's
Because I don't go for, I don't have to review, no.
Singham 3, yes.
So I don't go for Singham, I don't go for. अभी कौन सी आई थी? एक और दो गंदी मूवी आई है अभी, भूल भुलैया 3 और एक गंदी आई है, दो गंदी आई हैं अभी. तो वो रिव्यू देख के मैं छोड़ देता हूँ.
Bulbul 3 is apparently
तुम बार तो देखनी
making a lot of money though, right?
Both of those films are making.
Singham is also making a lot of money.
Yeah, dude,
opening
8
तो अच्छी
mega
हुई
stars
होगी.
हैं. Of course it'll make money, you know. Perfect time to get into the games. We have established that you guys are big Bollywood fans and Bollywood geeks and fanatics about the films. Let's go. The first game, guys, that we're going to be playing. Guys, sometimes I forget to introduce all the aspects of the show. Okay, so my nice colleague here, Ashish, has reminded us that you guys are fighting for something.
Oh, I thought it's going to be a hamper.
In a way.
Clearly the first time of the
It's a
show.
paper. How can
It's
you say
more.
in a way?
Sorry?
You said in a way it looks like a paper.
It's a poster.
Yeah.
Let him reveal
It's
it.
what comes with it. The hamper is imaginary
QR
It's
code. It's a QR
representative.
code.
representative
Of something bigger.
of a hamper. Exactly, you get it. Okay, you guys are fighting to be crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah.
Nice.
Okay.
Is that going to be a cutout on our face?
Yes, that is a cutout that you're supposed to make because a running joke is that I'm lazy. I'm too lazy to make a cutout myself. So I give it to
The
the people.
shape
to make
of that cutout is also very Vinay Sharma.
Yeah.
This feels rigged.
Oh, are you saying one of you
auto.
deserves it more?
मतलब मेरा cutout तो नहीं लग रहा हो यार वो. ये तो थोड़ा rigged वाला feel आ रहा
अब
है.
तो जीतना
गेम
पड़ेगा.
के पहले भी गोविंदा पे हाथ ताली भी मार रहे थे ये लोग. मेरे को थोड़ा outsider feeling आ रहा है यार ये.
And where will this be put up?
So this will be put up in your house.
My
as
house?
In the center display of your house.
और बोल देना
will be
in
this-
his my house
Yes.
in your
Will-
house.
in whatever whoever wins their house. I mean, a center display. This has to be okay.
It
All
should-
your
actually the game should be whoever wins that person's photo
Does not have
should
to
be
take
in other person's house. That'll
okay.
be the burn.
Let's change it up, guys. If Vinay wins, Abhijit gets crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah.
Nice.
मेरे living room में विनय की photo है. That's- Now raising the
Now I am
stakes.
interested.
Yes.
Stakes बढ़ा
Okay,
रहे
bring
ना.
it on. First question, please.
Anything to not have to take that home. Okay, let's go. Okay, what this title allows you, if you get crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah, what this title allows you, it is becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood. Should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again? Okay, say you're at a party. Okay, you're at like a party with other comedians, and बात छिड़ जाती है कि who is the greatest dancer that Bollywood has ever seen? Okay, and most people are of the opinion that Hrithik Roshan is the greatest dancer that Bollywood has ever seen. But no, if Abhijit wins this and gets crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah, he can say whatever he thinks. Who do you think is
Govinda,
good?
Govinda.
Govinda is the greatest dancer Bollywood has ever seen, and he will be absolutely right because he is the biggest Bollywood Badshah and not those fucking idiots who thought Hrithik Roshan was the answer. Okay,
So
you
he'll
get
show
it.
the poster also.
I mean, पहले दिखाना पड़ेगा. You can take a photo of it with himself, you know.
I'll have to
come
call
to-
Vinay.
Yeah,
Yes.
come to
Vinay,
my
just get
house.
the
वो
fucking
photo भेजो
poster.
यार.
जल्दी लेके आ.
Yes.
Like, मैं तो
going to a
पोए में
party.
पार्टी
I
बैंड्रा
need to
में.
show proof I'm awesome.
Just dunzo it, bro. Just.
Done it. Yeah, quickly. Okay, so you get it. Huge stakes, the biggest stakes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, I think this slide should have come while he was explaining all this.
It's all good. It's all good.
Whose line was it anyway?
The first game that we're going to be playing is called Whose Line Was It Anyway? The name of this game is a throwback to one of the greatest shows of all time. But how this game on this show works is I will quote a dialogue from a very popular film and give you 4 options as to who said it and in which film. And both of you will get a chance to take a crack at it. And
One by one, or is it
one by
fastest
one.
fingers
So
first?
the first question. So there are some rounds which are buzzer based, some rounds
Okay.
which are turn based.
Okay.
This one is turn based.
Okay.
The first question can start with Vinay, then go on to Abhijit. Then if neither of you get it right,
Okay.
then I will throw to the audience.
Cool.
All right?
All right.
And basically that's how it goes for the audience. If you guys can't get an answer, it gets thrown to the audience and they are also scored. All right?
Like we
It's all
are
good.
now competing with the audience as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, in a way.
If they get
In a
it
way you
right
are.
every time and we get it wrong, it's
हम
Yes.
दोनों को अपने घर पे इनकी फोटो लगानी पड़ेगी.
I should tell you it has happened on multiple episodes that the audience has beaten both of the contestants.
Yeah.
They've beaten one contestant though very often, and rarely does the audience lose from both the contestants. So just keep that in mind. All right, whose line was it anyway? Let's
Why
go
would
to
I
the first
keep that in mind, man?
Yeah.
one. Don't keep it in
I
mind,
don't want
or
to keep
forget
that
about
in
it.
mind.
If anything, try to forget.
Forgive and
about it.
forget. Yes. Try to forget for the rest of the episode.
No pressure.
That the audience is playing. All right.
Okay.
Next, first one. Starting with Vinay.
Yeah.
Which movie is this dialogue from? अकेला चोर किसी को धोखा नहीं दे सकता, खुद को भी नहीं. Who said it and in which film? Was it A. Amitabh Bachchan in Bunty or Babri? B. Neil Nitin Mukesh and Johnny Gaddar. C. Hrithik Roshan and Dhoom 2. And D. Abhishek Bachchan, Bluff Master.
Is there negative marking?
There's no negative points
फिर तो
throughout.
तुक्का तो मार ही सकते हैं.
Absolutely, absolutely. Have you
What
seen all
if
these films?
I don't give a wrong answer and pass it on? Is there a benefit?
No, not really.
Because I don't know the answer to this. Do you know?
That's fine. There are no negative points, so you can absolutely take a
Yeah,
stab.
yeah. अकेला चोर किसी को धोखा नहीं दे सकता,
खुद को भी नहीं. Is Amitabh Bachchan Bunty Bubbly?
I don't think so.
Neil
It's
Nitin Mukesh,
Amitabh.
Johnny Gaddar.
Neil Nitin is too cool to say this in Johnny Gaddar.
Okay. Hrithik Roshan and Dhoom 2.
ये सबसे अनुकूल अभिषेक ही है तो I'll go
Abhishek
with
and Bluff Master.
him. Yeah.
But यार Bluff Master में तो काफी cool था अभिषेक. In all fairness.
हाँ तो change कर लूँ क्या?
I don't know.
Are you giving me a hint like Amitabh gives in KBC? You know the answer?
I do know the answer.
Yeah,
Yes.
block-
I
क्योंकि
know the
ये तो
answer.
पहला पड़ाव है ना, इसी में कोई झगड़ा होता है तो अमिताभ हेल्प कर
Correct,
देता है
correct,
KBC पे. I take
क्या
that as a
आप-
hint. I'll like to change my answer.
You can. Right now you can.
Okay, I'll go with A only.
Go with Amitabh Bachchan, Bunty Bubbly.
Yeah.
Abhijit.
You want you first answer that if it's
No, no,
right
no.
or not?
No.
Between the two of
You
you-
can say you
between
can
the
also
two
pick
of you.
A. No.
Okay, let me. Can I like just
Think out loud. It's
Yeah, अकेला
absolutely
चोर
recommended.
किसी को धोखा नहीं दे सकता, खुद को भी नहीं. That basically means the person wants to be alone, working alone. Hrithik Roshan in Dhoom 2 does not make sense. Aishwarya Rai was with him. Neil Nitin Mukesh and Johnny Gaddar was doing most of the shit alone.
You
so
remember
that
so
still
much?
makes sense.
I'm gonna
in
lose
these
this.
movies, obviously. Bunty or Bubbly. Amitabh Bachchan saying अकेला चोर किसी को धोखा नहीं दे सकता, खुद को भी नहीं. Again,
अबे
does
यार-
not make sense because they knew
Yeah,
it was
yeah,
Bunty
yeah.
and Bubbly. So it would not be.
D. अभी D हुआ ना बेटा?
I don't know.
ये कैसा KBC अमिताभ पहले पड़ाव पे ही भगा रहा है contestant
Yeah,
को.
yeah.
So I am feeling between Neil Nitin Mukesh, Johnny Gaddar and D Abhishek Bachchan, Bluff Master. But Bluff Master में अकेला चोर किसी को धोखा नहीं दे सकता, खुद को भी नहीं. Just feels
Just
Abhishek
go
Bachchan.
with an answer.
Abhishek Bachchan, Bluff Master.
Abhishek Bachchan, Bluff Master. Okay. You had said Neil Nitin Mukesh.
No, I said Amitabh.
Amitabh Bachchan.
You said Amitabh Bachchan and
Oh,
Bunty
it
Bubbly.
was. Did I say Neil?
No, you said Amitabh Bachchan, Bunty Bubbly. You said Abhishek Bachchan and Bluff Master. Neither of you are right. Let's throw to the
अरे
audience.
यार Neil ही है.
C. Hrithik Roshan, Dhoom 2. The correct
सबसे
answer
बड़ा
is
explanation दिया इसने.
Hrithik Roshan and Dhoom 2 is
Why it's
absolutely
not
right.
Hrithik?
But I like
इसका नेगेटिव
what
मार्किंग
Abhijit
मिलना
did.
चाहिए.
Yeah,
इतना
yeah.
एक्सप्लेन
It's like-
इसने किया ना कि C तो
Yeah.
डेफिनेटली नहीं है.
I went by logic. मेरे को भी आंसर नहीं पता था, but मैं logically सोच रहा था कि क्या.
Yeah, this is at a point where basically he's telling Aishwarya why he works just by himself. Yeah. Hey, हम क्यों ना sex करें? No, that's what she said. Okay.
ये कैसा लोड़ू लाइन है बोलने का? Before hiring a person.
Audience में
अकेला चोर किसी को धोखा नहीं सकता.
Did you give the
तो
right
तुम भी
answer?
ज्वाइन कर लो. What is this?
नहीं, so then she has to convince him कि oh bro, I won't give
देख ले
धोखा.
ध्यान से देख उस चेहरे को, वही तेरे लिविंग रूम में आने वाला है.
All right, next one starting with Abhijit.
Okay.
अपुन यहाँ अक्खा मुंबई को अपना ऑफिस बना के बैठा है. Who said this in which film? Was it A. Vivek Oberoi in Shoodown Lokhandwala? B. Johnny Lever in Fir Hera Feri? C. Nana Patekar in Taxi number 911? And D. Imran Hashmi in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai?
मेरे को चारों ही सही लग रहे हैं, पता है कितने बढ़िया ऑप्शंस.
That's by design, yes.
लाइक इसमें एक ऐसा
Johnny Lever in
आमिर खान गजनी दिया होता तो इजी हो जाता ना.
इसमें देख गैंगस्टर वाइब्स तो आ रही है लाइन में. अपन यहाँ अक्खा मुंबई को अपना ऑफिस बना के बैठा है. तो विवेक ओबरॉय शूट आउट एट लोखंड वाला मुझे काफी प्रोबेबिलिटी लग रही है. और इमरान हाशमी वंस अपॉन अ टाइम इन मुंबई आल्सो. नाना पाटेकर कैन आल्सो बी ट्रू बिकॉज
शोला है या है बेजुरिया मुंबई नगर या
it's Nana Patekar. In fact, Johnny Lever is the only one जो मुझे लग रहा है नहीं होना चाहिए, which could actually mean कि Johnny Lever ही निकले. चलो, but I'm just going for with my logic. Johnny Lever होना नहीं चाहिए. नाना पाटेकर टाइप का. अब उन्हें अक्खा मुंबई नहीं है नाना पाटेकर लैंग्वेज. थोड़ा टपोरी लैंग्वेज लग रहा है. विवेक ओबरॉय शूट आउट एट लोखंड वाला मुंबई ये सब बोल रहा है. अब उन्हें अक्खा मुंबई को. Let me just go with Imran Hashmi.
Imran Hashmi, Once Upon a Time in Mumbai.
I'll go Vivek Oberoi.
Vivek Oberoi, Shoodown Lokhandwala. Okay? The correct answer, drum roll. The correct answer is Vivek Oberoi, Shoodown Lokhandwala is right.
Yo baby, that's
Full
how
5
it
points
goes.
for winner. Very cool.
Nice.
Hey.
Very cool.
Nice.
I like that Abhijit does all the thinking and then Vinay just gives his answer.
Uses my fucking thinking. I should do the thinking only when I'm answering second now. That is
Dude,
my
you
learning.
just gave the worst example in the previous question. Why would I go with your thinking?
Yeah, that's true. All right, that was 2 questions done. The third one.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, what happens is the other rule, the only other remaining rule that I'll tell you guys is that there is a hat trick rule. Each time one of you does not get 3 consecutive answers, so like basically does not answer 3 times or the other person gets 3 answers, there is a small Bollywood themed punishment. Okay, by that I mean you'll have to do like an impression to the best of your ability, or a hook step, or बैठे बैठे भी कर सकते हो, again to the best of your ability. ऐसे you know, it's or like give an unpopular opinion about this thing, or give your impassioned speech about something, whatever.
Every opinion
Start
is unpopular.
Okay, but ठीक है, you are on a hat trick. अगर एक और आपका नहीं आया, तो then you will
Thanks.
you have done that.
No added pressure, no.
No worries, no worries. And also there's nothing.
He's already
it's all good.
practicing in his head.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Okay, let's go. The next one, starting with Vinay. दुनिया में प्यार से ज्यादा दर्द कुछ नहीं होता. Was it A, who said this and which film? A, Ranbir Kapoor in A Dil Hai Mushkil. B, Shraddha Kapoor in Aashiqui 2. C, Madhavan in RSTDM. Or D, Anushka Sharma in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. Have you seen all these films?
Yeah, but the dialogue इतने low popularity वाले हैं questions में. I'll just go with A, Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor, A Dil Hai Mushkil. All right. अभिजीत,
अब मैं फिर से थियराइज
Let's
कर
go.
सकता हूँ क्योंकि
Let's go,
answer
let's
इसका
go.
दे चुका है.
no, we want it.
दुनिया में प्यार से ज्यादा दर्द कुछ नहीं होता. रणबीर कपूर ए दिल है मुश्किल. अब ए दिल है मुश्किल मैंने देखी ही नहीं है तो हो सकता है. श्रद्धा कपूर आशिकी 2. आशिकी 2
नहीं मुझे पता नहीं है.
आशिकी 2
देखी
भी मैंने देखी.
तो है मैंने.
आशिकी 2 भी मैंने नहीं देखी. मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ कि आशिकी 2 मैंने नहीं देखी. बट हाँ, पिक्चर में क्या हो रहा है थोड़ा सा आइडिया तो दोनों में ही है. तो श्रद्धा कपूर भी हो सकता है. मेरे को लग रहा है रहना है तेरे दिल में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बार देख लिया, तो माधवन होना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि ध्यान तो रहता. दुनिया में प्यार से ज़्यादा दर्द पर नहीं दिख रहा मुझे वो. अनुष्का शर्मा रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. रब ने बना दी जोड़ी इज द शाहरुख खान, राइट? रब ने बना दी जोड़ी में क्यों बोलेगी वो ये दुनिया में प्यार से ज़्यादा दर्द कुछ नहीं होता. तो मैं जा रहा हूँ. तूने रणवीर कपूर बोला है एंड आई कैन गो फॉर द सेम आंसर और आई कैन.
Oh, come on. Be a
दुनिया में
sport.
प्यार से ज़्यादा दर्द. अरे ज़बरदस्ती आउटलायर बनने के लिए अलग थोड़ी ना करूंगा. अगर मूवी मेरे को लॉजिकली जो लग रहा है वही
नहीं, वो
आंसर
गलत है. मैं तो ऐसे ही बोल दिया बिकॉज वो डायलॉग ही इतना वैसा है ना.
मेरे को तो
इतना obsolete.
मेरे को पता है बॉदर क्या कर रहा है. ये डायलॉग ना ग्रामेटिकली भी इनकरेक्ट है. दुनिया में प्यार से ज्यादा दर्द कुछ नहीं देता.
मतलब
समझ आएगा.
माधवन तो बोले.
कुछ नहीं होता क्या मतलब है यार?
माधवन नहीं बोल सकता है ना.
ये ग्रामेटिकली इनकरेक्ट
तो माधवन ही हो सकता है फिर.
एक्चुअली तो
ज्यादा दिमाग लगाते वही निकलता है फिर.
यार,
ये मेरा लेकिन रणबीर ही है.
मैं श्रद्धा कपूर आशिकी 2 बोल रहा हूँ. चलो
चलो.
आशिकी, श्रद्धा कपूर आशिकी 2. Okay. So Abhijit Singh, Shraddha
तो
Kapoor
नहीं
आशिकी
है.
2.
उसके रिएक्शन से लग
समझ ही आ गया.
Vinay Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, A Dil Hai Mushkil. Both of you are wrong. Let's go to the audience.
अनुष्का ही है फिर तो. माधवन.
मुझे
Don't
लग
tell
रहा
me it's
माधवन ही निकलने
माधवन
वाला
नहीं
है.
यार.
जितना
Anyone,
मैंने
quick.
आपको setup किया है ना.
Oh.
Okay, you guys are saying
Was it a
C.
remake of a Tamil movie RSTDM?
Okay, you're saying C.
फिर तो
Madhavan
हो सकता है
RSTDM.
कोई थकेला डायलॉग हिंदी में लिख दिया होगा डायलॉग राइटर ने. क्या?
The audience said Madhavan RSTDM. They are also wrong. Nobody gets points. The correct answer is Anushka Sharma, Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. Abhijit, sorry, all your
Hey, nice.
every single time. Now we have a small Bollywood themed punishment. Let's go. Give me an impassioned speech about why Abhishek Bachchan should stop doing movies altogether.
But I don't want that, man. I'm really
Okay, give
rooting
me-
for Abhishek Bachchan's comeback also.
Give me an impassioned speech about why Abhishek Bachchan should do 10 movies every year going forth.
ये भी नहीं चाहता था.
It has to be one or the other, man.
Yeah, I think Abhishek Bachchan should do 10 movies every year because yeah, he's a good actor and I think अभी वो time आएगा कि वो अपने shadow से निकलेगा अमिताभ बच्चन के और yes.
He's a good actor in your.
Yeah, he's done
Yeah,
good
Good
Guru
movies.
Guru तो सही किया
Guru तो
है.
excellent.
Rough Master भी
Bunty-
मजा आया
Bunty
था.
was good.
Master भी
Rough Master
अच्छा
was good, yeah.
He's actually decent.
He actually has done decent stuff.
Yuva's great.
युवा का तो उसका swagger ही इतना
I
बढ़िया
think
था
he's
यार.
very close to Amitabh only. Amitabh I find okay only. Good.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't think he's a great actor. He's
Oh,
a good actor.
I love this. Oh, who do you think you
Even
are?
Aamir,
Naseeruddin
even
Shah,
Aamir.
dude?
Shah Rukh is
Yeah.
a better actor, but he doesn't act only. He acts like Shah Rukh in movies, which I don't like.
That's true. So you're
I
saying
loved him in Swades, Chak De. उसके बाद फिर acting छोड़ दिया उसने.
But Amitabh तो
He plays
थोड़ा-
himself, no?
I mean, yeah, but then Amitabh has also tried roles where he's like done different stuff. Like
Yeah,
that
so he's better than
Gulabo
Abhishek.
Sitabo.
But I think Shah Rukh has more talent. But वो justice नहीं करता है.
Okay, fair enough, man. चलो ठीक है.
अच्छा लगता है ना ऐसा बॉलीवुड क्विज में
Nice.
ऐसे बड़े-बड़े
Yeah,
ओपिनियन.
yeah.
बड़े-बड़े
थोड़ा
opinion
लगे कि
थोड़ा
अपने को पता है बॉलीवुड के
yes,
बारे में.
yes.
कुछ एक अलग बोल देने का.
यार
बड़ा बड़ी
अमिताभ
बात
को तो
बोल
क्या
दी.
ही पता. उसको तो
अमिताभ
acting में
ने
नहीं आता.
एक्टिंग ठीक की है बट नथिंग लाइक संजीव कपूर. Like just say fucking
No,
random stuff.
honestly speaking, I think Rishi Kapoor is a better actor than
Rishi Kapoor?
Rishi Kapoor was
is
a
a
good
better
actor.
actor than
Oh,
Amitabh.
do you have a favorite Kapoor Khandan actor? that khandan.
Ranbir is a better actor than
Ranbir is
Amitabh.
great.
रणबीर इज नॉट रणबीर एकदम मेरे को लगता है
I love
बिल्कुल ही
Ranbir.
जस्ट शव डाउन आवर थ्रोट वाला राहुल गांधी वाला
Oh,
फीलिंग
no,
ही
no.
आता है
Rishi
I think
Kapoor
Ranbir
is
is
a great
great.
actor.
I think Ranbir is absolutely great.
नो मैन
But Rishi Kapoor is even better.
Rishi Kapoor was great also.
But
I
I-
really miss Shashi Kapoor, man. Shashi Kapoor
was so
excellent,
amazing
dude.
but Shashi
Amazing.
Kapoor was every movie
But
90%
limited range
same
था.
it was mama मैं आ gaya or
Yes.
something or like it's just fucking like just
Yeah, next 3 when you default, no answers you this way, give him this.
Yeah, do Shashi Kapoor
impression.
interview.
He does very well.
Impression. All
री
right.
था तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे अभी like just
क्या तुम्हारी फोटो मैं अपने लिविंग रूम में लगाने वाला
really
हूँ?
good.
every time just अरे
Yes.
just sometimes play the non-excited hyper character no? like every time
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. The last one in this game
okay
is starting with Abhijit.
yeah I'm not gonna
Hey, hey.
ओड़ी ओड़ी ओड़ी. Okay. फिल्म हो या हकीकत, जब लड़कियों को बचाना होता है तो हीरो ही आता है. Who said this and in which film? Was it Sunil Shetty in आवारा पागल दीवाना? B. Varun Dhawan in मैं तेरा हीरो? C. सैफ अली खान in मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी? और D. सलमान खान in टाइगर जिंदा है?
भाई बहुत टफ क्वेश्चंस है यार.
Yes, yes, they get easier. Don't worry. They will.
फिल्म
There are
हो
some
या
easier ones coming up.
हकीकत जब लड़कियों को बचाना होता है तब हीरो ही आता है मैं अब थियोराइज नहीं कर रहा मैं बस आंसर देगा
हाँ, जल्दी से बोल दे वैसे भी क्या ही हो रहा है. फिर सोचने लग गया. This is the problem. It's the state.
which is the movie
It's the state you belong to. Their issue is there. It's the Bengali problem. I'm telling
They
you.
think overthinkers.
There's
these-
overthinkers it's a bunch of overthinkers yeah let me go for I've not seen any of these movies Avara Pagal Deewana I've seen in bits
You haven't seen Aara Pagal Diwana?
in bits and
It's fun.
pieces in bits and
Great.
pieces
Very, very
Yeah.
fun.
मैं तेरा हीरो नहीं देखी मैं खिलाड़ी तू खिलाड़ी देखी होगी बिट्स एंड पीसेस में टाइगर जिंदा है तो नहीं देखी सलमान खान टाइगर जिंदा है
I was about to say that. Can I
Okay.
go with the same answer?
You can.
Okay, I'll go with the same answer.
Okay, both of you are saying Salman Khan Tigers in that.
This
Okay.
dialogue sounds like very
Fucker,
Salmani.
you made me go for a different option from you just
अरे,
by saying
because
that
I knew I was wrong and I was wrong.
Okay.
इसमें
Okay.
तो मेरे को किसी में फील ही नहीं आ रही apart from Salman Khan. Who can pull off this dialogue? Varun, I haven't seen any
if
movie
you
of
would have to
Varun.
give a second answer क्या देता
I would have said
I would have
Varun because I haven't seen any of
because
his
मैं
movies.
तेरा हीरो में भी वरुण धवन ऐसा बोल सकता
So
है
you
कुछ
give us half point if one of these answer is correct.
Both of your answers are wrong.
फुल टॉस देने का ही नहीं भाई
They both have
दे
given
मत।
two options. Each of them, Salman Khan and Varun Dhawan, they said. Both of those answers are
पता
wrong.
नहीं भाई. बहुत टफ है अरे ये. इसमें
They're going with
सी
C.
क्यों होगा
You should have
मैं खिलाड़ी
levels.
तू अनारी में सैफ अली खान तो अक्षय कुमार ही बोल सकता है
You
ना
wanted to go with B, but
he
you
is
took
trying. He's like emulating Akshay Kumar.
हीरो ही आता है हीरो because he was the actor also that could be a
The correct
point.
answer is Saif Ali Khan is absolutely right. Yes.
That's very smart I did not think it that way
Yes. Very cool. Very cool. That
मैंने
भी है
नहीं
ना
देखी
वो।
ये movie.
that's fine. That's fine. Mekhlek Tornadi is one of my absolute
You know your
favorite films of
game
all
you
time.
should have जैसे वो मॉल में क्रिकेट खेलने जाते हैं तो पूछता है ना सर which level are you
उसका
playing?
गेम शो उसने बनाया उसको
नहीं नहीं, I'm
ठीक है ना?
giving a suggestion.
I get it. No, no.
That you have
वो
see, I
बेचारा
tell you, the moment
इतने
you
सालों
see
से
us
कर रहा है
fucking
यार।
it up completely royally,
It should
you
lower.
switch to amateur level.
Okay, so I'll tell you, right?
करेगा वो करेगा
So that
करेगा
our
No, no.
self-esteem remains intact.
So this is the way I think of it, right? I absolutely design episodes with keeping the two contestants
But
in
I
mind.
don't know why for some reason he thought that I
That
am
we
very
are
good at
very-
this
Yeah, because I did.
Because
Like
it's
I thought you were slightly above average.
47 you scored.
but Anu Menon के अगेंस्ट था ना इसीलिए था वो
Yeah.
So my score right now is 1,
10 or something
10,
Has he gotten 2 right? 5. Your score right now is 5.
5
5.
You get 5 points for each correct answer. Yes. All right, but
Let me
let's
just
see.
remove this slide
Let's see where we stand.
Yeah.
this conversation with this slide क्योंकि मेरा एंगल तो इधर ही आ रहा है ना विनय को तो चलो इधर देखना है मेरे को तो बिल्कुल ही क्या हो रहा है यार
All right. Let's see where we stand at the end of game 1. Ashish.
At the end of game 1, Abhijit is still to open his account.
That's a very nice way.
Yeah. Sweet. Very
Very
sweet.
polite.
Very polite.
Vinay is at 5 and audience is leading with 10.
अरे
Oh,
यार.
okay,
Audience all put together
But
क्या?
to be fair, audience always gets to know beforehand कि दो options कौन से नहीं है तो audience को भी तो
Should
दोनों
get
नहीं
half
बताना चाहिए
Correct. 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 You're right.
ऑडियंस
You're
को भी
right.
बता ऑडियंस को भी पहले अपना ऑप्शन आंसर देने दो फिर बताओ कौन सही है कौन नहीं
So you
दो
want
गलत
that?
भी है
Do you want that?
No, no,
हाँ
no,
सो दैट
क्या?
ऑडियंस के पॉइंट भी उसी हिसाब से पता चले ना बाद में बुरा लगना ही है तो फेयर
चलो
गेम
वो भी ठीक है वो भी ठीक है अगली बार फिर ये करेंगे ठीक है चलो नो प्रॉब्लम है इट्स ऑल फ्लेक्सिबल वी आर ऑल
All right.
ठीक है Let's go. Next one.
अंतरिक्ष का गेम बदल के चलेगा.
No, see.
Just a filmy game show का वेरिएंट आ गया है.
So,
मैं
I'll tell
सोच
you,
रहा हूँ मैं
Abhijit is-
डायलॉग छुपा के सीधे आंसर गेस करता हूँ वैसे.
Okay, so we know winner is at 5, Abhijit at 0, audience is at 10. Let's go to the next game. The next game is called Bollywood in Jeopardy. Very simple. How this works is I will read out the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film. You guys plot the plot description
Okay.
of a very popular mainstream film.
Okay.
And you guys have to buzz in. This is a buzzer round. You guys have to buzz in and let me know what the
Where is
answer
the
is.
buzzer? Like-
It's a mouth sound. You have to make a sound with your mouth.
Me.
It can be anything. Whatever. What do you like about the movie?
I'll say Abhijit.
You say Abhijit, you say
Why
Vinay.
would you just confuse me?
No, I'll just say
Why do you want to
me. I'll just say me.
You say me and you'll say मैं.
You say you.
हाँ
Say
मैं
you,
जानता हूँ
you.
मैं जानता हूँ. Me. हाँ सही है me सही है. Whoever says me first and who will decide who said me first?
Me first and then these guys.
And then इसमें तो negative mark होना चाहिए ना because buzzer round है.
So I'll tell you. Okay, this is a buzzer round. I will reveal the question. You have to buzz in. But the Jeopardy angle, this is Bollywood in Jeopardy. The Jeopardy angle is that you have to say the answer in the form of a question. That's it. It's very simple. Okay, it's an slightly like convoluted way of reaching to the answer, but you will understand why I ask for that as we go on in the game. Okay. Bollywood Jeopardy, say the answer in the form of question. In the form of question like, is this Baghban? Is this the plot of Dil Chahta Hai? Just that's it. ऐसे ही, any question you want to make it. What is Baghban? Anything you
This
want to
is
do.
you testing our patience.
Yes, I see your patience, I see your presence of mind.
मूवी का नाम ले
Presence
सकते
of
हैं. Is
mind
it
को
बोल
guess
के?
करके आ गया ना.
Is it बोल के?
उसमें
And
एक
then
और
say the
layer
movie.
डाल दिया आपने.
Yeah, correct.
ठीक है यार.
ठीक है, let's go. Keep your buzzers at the
Okay.
ready. Buzzers ready. All right. Dash, a boy hard of hearing and without speech, dreams of playing in the Indian cricket team. When his condition hinders his selection, he asks a retired coach
Is
to
it
train him.
me?
नहीं ये lose
Me,
lost
No,
lost.
correct. Yes.
Is it Iqbal?
Yes, it is absolutely Iqbal.
तो
for
मैं
5
भी बोलने
points.
वाला था यार तेरे मी वो बोला ही नहीं है.
नहीं सही है ना यार, ठीक है तो है.
चलो ठीक है. That's the only movie I knew. So I was about to say that कि मुझे तो एक ही पता है. इकबाल.
Oh, you mean that's the only movie you know in all of Bollywood?
इस plot से
Yeah,
relate
तो
मतलब I know
मतलब
a
वही
lot
तो
of other movies.
हाँ, तो
इकबाल भी
वही
मैंने
तो है.
देखी नहीं है.
Oh, अच्छा. Okay. Good movie, yeah, by the way. Okay, next go. Next one. Keep your
5-5
buzzers.
हो गया क्या?
Buzzers ready? Let's go.
अरे
Let's go. A millionaire businessman living in a village decides to move to the city with his wife. They soon get into a case of mistaken identity that results in comical situations. Buzz in if you know the answer.
नेगेटिव नहीं है ना?
Negative कुछ नहीं है.
Me.
Yes.
अरे ये क्या है?
Is it हलचल?
It is not Halchal. Now you can't take a guess till the hint
तो
round.
नेगेटिव होना चाहिए.
नहीं. Anything, Vinay?
Thinking.
A millionaire businessman living in a village decides to move to the city with his wife. They soon get into a case of mistaken identity that results in comical
What do you say?
situations.
You guys don't know the movie? I can explain the movie later, but
Okay,
Mansi is
yes.
guess. Mansi's guess.
I don't know man. Hangama.
He did not ask it as a question, so I cannot give you points.
I said I don't know man. Hangama is a question.
It's not.
That's not.
Why?
That's not a
How?
question. That's not a
I
question.
don't know man. Hangama
So-
is a question mark.
You
No.
पहले-
So the thing is, see, because you did not get it right, I will have to throw it back to Abhijit to let him steal it. Okay?
ये क्या
Even though
game है यार?
Is it
It is,
Hangama?
it is Hangama.
It's about how you ask.
I literally told you this.
Comment section. एक second. आप please rewind करो YouTube पे.
Yes.
And just listen how I asked, what I said.
That was
I
definitely
don't know, man.
not
Hangama
a question.
is a
But did you
question.
know- if you knew
That's-
हंगामा, then why were you so unsure? मेरे को तो मूवी का नाम नहीं आता इसलिए मैं ख से आ रहा था दिमाग में, but मूवी तो obviously
No,
नहीं
it was not that obvious to me, but वो अमीर था परेश रावल इसलिए
परेश रावल
मुझे
shift किया
गांव से आया वो तो मुझे याद ही नहीं था.
Yes.
बस वो अमीर था ये याद था और comical
Wife scenes
situations.
of wife
Dude,
is
Hangama
becoming
is so
modern and
funny.
modern आने
यार
के
ये
बाद
क्या है
it's
यार इसमें तो एटलीस्ट 2.5 होना चाहिए. ये ऑडियंस आप ये
You can keep telling the audience to change the rules again and again. It's all good.
बुली कर रहा है.
It's all good.
ये कैसा होस्ट है यार?
Okay. That's 5 points for Abhijit. Just because he ended up stealing that. That was lucky for Abhijit. Okay,
He
very
did
good.
not end up stealing it. You're like, it's for you to steal now.
Yeah, it was. Basically, if you don't ask it as a question, even though you might have been right, I'll let the other person
Okay.
steal. That's just what it is. All right, next one. Hat-trick हो गया.
What is this here? ये
Okay.
कैसा हैट्रिक है यार? इससे सैड हैट्रिक ना अभी तक
गरीबी
हुआ
में
होगा
आटा
इसके
गीला,
किसी
like,
शो में,
let's
ना
rock.
आगे होगा.
Rub salt on the wound.
हाँ,
Okay.
what is this?
Let's go. Let's give him one. Let's give Vinay one.
Dance move.
Okay. Let's. You have to do.
You make me dance now. Seriously, after stealing my point,
That is out of comfort zone, is it?
I'm glad he said initially कि बैठे बैठे भी कर सकते हो.
But let's see how you do that बैठे बैठे. Do the step of जीने के 4 दिन.
इसमें step क्या है?
Oh, towel, bro. The towel step.
इसमें क्या है? ये ले.
That just looks wrong.
Very wrong. I'm just glad there's no naked man with hair on the screen.
That's the bear.
Hey,
That's
Bear
right.
Grylls.
Yeah, dressed man.
Best picture अब तक जो आए हैं उसमें से तो सबसे conservative यही है.
Okay. चलो ठीक
Back to
है.
you.
No more punishments. Okay, we'll just see. अगर बहुत ही if one
नहीं
person does not
अगर
get,
इस पे आया तो देना है, मेरे पे आया तो नहीं देना है.
हाँ, we'll see.
1-1.
Okay, so next one. Keep your buzzers ready. Dash, a notorious playboy known for breaking hearts, learns a lesson when his true love. You'll go first. I'll just complete the question. Learns a lesson when his true love Dash rejects him. He then sets out to earn the forgiveness of his former conquests and win Dash back. Yes.
Is it बचना है हसीनो?
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely right. Full 5 points. Very well done. आपने देखी है विनय?
नहीं.
Okay. Yeah, fun, decent, good enough.
Decent,
movie, yeah.
decent, not bad.
All right, next one. Keep your buzzer ready. Dash, a married man, is falsely accused of by his ex-girlfriend. You'll go first. I'll just complete the question.
क्या है यार?
Ex-girlfriend, who is
क्या है?
also his
Next game,
employer's
please.
wife.
Next game.
Dash, a married man, is falsely accused of by his ex-girlfriend, who is also his employer's wife. This motivates him to sue her for sexual harassment despite societal pressures. Abhijit.
Is it ऐतराज?
Absolutely right, man. Wow. Cool.
Why would
Full
I
mark
never
points.
guess this? ये सब क्या देखता रहता है यार तू?
यार अभी थोड़ी ना है.
ये तो
ये
बहुत
अक्षय
पॉपुलर
कुमार
फिल्म
वाली
है
थी
तो.
ना ये? अक्षय
हाँ,
कुमार.
अब्बास मस्तान है. अब्बास मस्तान है.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Okay. Yes, correct.
पहले ही नहीं बोल दे भाई.
Buzzers ready? We have about 2 more in this game.
अरे मैं उसको सुन रहा हूँ, तू पढ़ दे रहा है क्या पहले ही सब कुछ?
तो किसने मना किया पढ़ने को?
हाँ, nobody
अरे
said.
यार ये क्या है? नहीं तो भी नहीं आता मुझे.
Okay.
Yeah.
Buzzers ready? Next question
Yeah.
is as follows. Dash, an encounter specialist, is armed with a personal vendetta to find and kill the gangsters responsible for his wife's death. Dash, an encounter specialist, is armed with a personal vendetta to find and kill the You'll go first, yes?
Is it अब तक 56?
Whoa, bro, yes, absolutely right.
अरे भाई मेरे को तो
Wow,
कोई plot
अभिजीत.
ही याद नहीं है यार.
Abhijit is.
ये तो मूवी भी देखी है मैंने, तो भी याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे. ये वाली तो देखी भी
उसकी
है.
बीवी मर गई थी.
उसकी बीवी थी.
Shit, somebody married Nana Patekar? That's also weird. Okay, next one. We'll do one more at least if we are, let's say, good on time. So let's see. One more. Buzz ready? Dash, notoriously famous for his antics, is sent to fetch Dash so that he can meet his ailing father. But in Australia, Dash ends up taking Dash's place as the king of the local underworld. Yes.
Is it
Yes.
Singh is king?
Wow, bro.
Yes.
Wow, bro. That is damn impressive. This,
देखी भी होती मैंने तो भी
bro,
याद नहीं
this
आता है.
even I wouldn't have been able to guess. If I had just seen this question like this, no
इसमें
chance in
fill in the
hell.
blanks भी है बीच में.
हाँ.
We started seeing this very recently because निधि देख रही थी and like 10 मिनट ही देखी है मैंने भी पिक्चर के और
Oh,
उसमें
okay,
ये
wow.
पूरा
It's
ये सब हो गया था.
was
10 मिनट में ही हो गया था ये.
आवारा पागल दीवाना भी इसलिए देखी थी ना तूने कभी गेम में कुछ सवाल आया तो थोड़ी देखी थी इसने आवारा पागल दीवाना.
बुरा लग रहा है भाई को अभी बहुत आगे निकल गए क्या?
अब तो there is no coming back. I'm just focusing on making you lose 3 times. That's it.
अब तो जब वो पढ़ रहा होता है ना तो ये विनय पहले ही मुझे देखता है बोल मी
At this
बोल ना
point,
मी
yeah, at this point, Vinay is just trying कि मेरे को somehow, even though there are no negative points ना होता कि मेरे को मैं भी 0 ना आ जाऊँ अभी. Yes.
नहीं मेरे को नहीं याद रहती है ना मूवीज. Like I
Fair
saw
enough.
तुम्बाड़ for a second time. I was like, oh ये भी हुआ था इसमें.
Oh,
Wow, ये तो
shit,
याद ही
the
नहीं है.
Dadi fuses into the house, becomes a tree. That is crazy.
मतलब मुझे सीन्स याद थे बट प्लॉट याद नहीं रहता मुझे मूवीज का.
I get it, man. That's fair. That's
तो
totally
जो
fair.
पिछला वाला गेम था उसमें तो 4 ही सवाल हुए थे, इसमें तो 6 हो गए.
तो आप गिन रहे हो क्या? इसमें
Obviously,
4 ही होने
मौका
चाहिए.
ही
हर
नहीं मिल रहा है
हर
इसमें
एपिसोड में
तो मैं तो
हर
plot-
गेम में 4 ही होने चाहिए.
मेरे को गजनी का पता है, उसका पूछना.
अच्छा. a man who has poor short term memory.
me. Is it गजनी? देख इस बार सवाल ही पूछा होगा।
इस बार सही है विजिट करके तो बोल दिया
Okay,
मैं
we'll do-
इतनी देर से ही सोच रहा हूँ कि अगली बार इज इट करना है, बट साला कुछ याद ही नहीं आ रहा है प्लॉट देख के।
विजिट तैयार है पहले दो शब्द तो तैयार है आंसर के
last one. We'll do one last one in this game.
ओके, अच्छा एक और है भी।
Yes. Dash, an undercover raw agent, is married into a Pakistani family. Me. Okay,
बस
Vinay will
मुझे
go
नहीं
first.
बोलना था।
Vinay will go first, but I will just complete this. Is married into a Pakistani family
is
by
it,
her. Wait. I'll just complete the question. Dash, an undercover raw agent, is married into a Pakistani family by her father so that she can get some valuable piece of information about the enemy.
Is it that Alia Bhatt's movie?
What is it called?
राजी।
Yes, absolutely right.
Hey, I got something. इसे पहले मी बोल देने का, फिर प्रेशर आया था तो मूवी याद है।
Just hope that your brain catches up to your yes. Me. All right, that's the end of game 2. That's where we stand at the end of game 2. Ashish.
No need to tell the scores, please.
So you joined second place. We have Vinay and Audi.
Hey, I'm second only.
Oh, yeah.
10 points.
10 points.
With all but one answer in that round, Abhijit has gone to 30 points.
Oh my God.
Jump. Feeling proud. Anti-hangover. All right, let's go on to the next game. The next game, wow, I'm skipping that. The next game is very simple. It's called the name game. Okay? I will name a popular actor or actress, and you guys have to give either movies or songs of that actor or actress depending upon the question. Like say if the question is give me movies of Amitabh Bachchan, okay? Then Vinay will name one movie of Amitabh Bachchan, then Abhijit will name one movie of Amitabh Bachchan, then it's toast to the audience. The audience names one movie of Amitabh Bachchan, and then the circle repeats. So like Vinay, then Abhijit, then the audience, and
Then how is it
till
decided?
one person runs out.
इसमें पुराना हीरो बोला तो मैं गया।
Okay, no, modern ही है, don't worry. आज modern ही है. So
वरुण
basically,
धवन बोला तो भी गया।
till one person runs out. Whoever runs out is the loser. The other two are the winners. Okay.
Nice.
ठीक है. Easy enough. Let's go. Starting with Vinay.
We just hope the audience runs out, man. वो होएगा
What if I run out in the first
That's gonna be
movie
rare.
only?
Okay.
I love
only-
the audience is so confident. बोलो नहीं bro.
अरे वो तो
We are not running out. We
So-
मिल के खेल रहे हैं।
Okay, so one person from the audience, Amjad, is gonna be taking charge. All right. So no helping Amjad because he's already very good at this. No, just for this game because it's otherwise
अच्छा
someone has to run out.
oh, so if they keep giving answers, तो we are
Fuck.
will lose. Both of us will lose.
Yeah,
And
but
they
now
will
only
keep
At
giving
least you
answers.
will lose.
Yeah, at least one person will lose.
Ah.
Yeah. ठीक है.
Okay.
Let's go. Starting with Vinay.
Okay.
Give me movies of Rani Mukherjee.
कुछ होता है।
Absolutely.
Okay.
That
I
was
start
great.
thinking of one
You have-
movie.
You have 30 seconds each time, but it's plenty of time.
Gulam.
Yes, absolutely right. Audience. Mardani.
Black.
Yep.
Mardani 2.
ए यार,
It exists.
अरे
Yes, you're right.
यार,
हद कर दिया आपने।
हद कर दिया आपने. हद कर
राजा की
दिया.
आएगी बारात।
Yes, correct. Absolutely right.
हो गया मेरा खत्म।
नहीं है.
अरे ये 2 वाला नहीं
यार
count
ये
होगा यार, ये
बात
गलत
क्यों कर रहा
है।
है?
नहीं क्या गलत कैसे है? That's a movie. That's a complete
यार, ये
different
क्या
movie.
हैक्स है यार, ये पहले खेले हुए लोगों को पता होता है।
Bunty और Bubbly.
Yes, sir.
ए नहीं, don't say that. Don't say
Say
that.
it,
That is mine.
say it,
That
say
is
it,
mine.
say it,
नहीं
say it,
यार,
say it,
ए,
say
ए,
it,
ए,
listen,
यार,
listen, say
I'm
it.
losing
You are
यार,
saying it, you are
ए,
saying it.
no,
So
no,
यार,
no,
they
no,
don't
no,
change
no,
it
no.
now.
हिचकी
Oh, he helped you. He said Hichki.
Let me think यार।
थोड़ा fucking cut. यार ये क्या करता है यार?
B से था, B से कुछ तो बंटी और बबली 2।
Okay, nice, correct.
Actually, that's not the movie's name.
It is.
It is.
It is.
It is.
फिर
please.
से नहीं था.
नहीं.
नहीं। Hey, come on यार।
I think it was फिर से Bunty और Bubbly.
चलो,
Just
बोलना।
search it once.
I am.
Hey, बोलना।
Bunty Bobby 2. Bunty Bobby 2.
Okay.
नेगेटिव मार्किंग। ये तो गया, ये गया। हो गया टाइम अप।
Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway.
अबे यार।
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा।
अरे नहीं गया।
वाह.
मैं गया अब।
Wow.
बंटी बबली 3।
That's wow, you can tell the future. But no. बहुत है.
ऑब्वियसली बहुत है यार, 50 होंगी।
बहुत है.
इजीली 50 होंगी ये रानी मुखर्जी की।
And there are more that you've seen also, not just like unpopular, offbeat kind of. There are many more popular ones that you've for sure seen. Okay, nothing?
Oh, one second.
About 12 seconds more.
अरे वो और माधुरी के साथ वाली थी ना,
ऐसे क्या बोल?
ऑल विमेन वाली, जिसमें एक डांस वाला गाना था बड़ा फेमस। नहीं गया, रानी नहीं थी उसमें.
You have like 5 seconds
Mrityu
left.
Dand. I don't know.
No. You have 5
What do you
seconds
mean
left.
no? Just Google at
2,
least.
1 and 0.
What if Rani is there in that movie?
Mrityu. No, she's not there in this.
Should I?
Hey, अभी तक
You,
हो?
so Vinay is already out. You both, the audience and Abhijit already get 5 points. But did you have another?
चलते चलते
चलते absolutely.
Oh.
Correct.
K3 जी.
K3G. Yes sir.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
दीवाना हूँ. चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके. Okay, चलो. Next one, starting with Abhijit. So it will be Abhijit, then Vinay, and then the audience, and that's
Okay,
the reversal.
all right.
All right. Starting with Abhijit, sing me songs of Ajay Devgan. This is a little tough. Songs of Ajay Devgan.
प्यार तो होना ही था.
प्यार तो होना ही
सरफरोशी
था.
की तमन्ना अब हमारे.
Yes, wow, dude, nice.
अकेली ना बाजार जाया.
अकेले न बाजार जाया करो,
यार ये क्या सोचवा रहा है यार.
नजर लग जाएगी, नजर लग जाएगी.
ये वो भी अजय देवगन को सोचना पड़ रहा है.
अजय देवगन के गाने कहाँ है यार
गाने
वो
वो भी
आदमी?
वो सब सीन याद आ रहे हैं मुझे उसके घटिया डांस.
Yes,
क्या
correct.
यार ये डाउन.
अरे बातें मत करो ना, मुझे सोचने दो थोड़ा.
नहीं नहीं चलना जल्दी याद आता है ऐसे बातें करते रहो तो.
Okay, but
He's distracting
yeah,
me
quick,
right now.
quick.
मुझे भी याद नहीं आ रहे.
About 15 more seconds you have.
अरे यार रुक जा, मेरे को तब तक तो बात कर रहे थे, गा रहे थे.
अब तो 10 सेकंड्स ही हैं. TikTok 9 TikTok 8.
See, he can also do the same to you when you are sick. Yeah?
मुझे पता है. At least he will lose first.
Yeah, about.
हम दिल दे चुके
Wow,
सनम.
what a save,
हैं,
nice.
छोड़ बचाओ यार.
You're like almost just about 5 minutes.
Singham.
क्या है?
Singham. Yeah, title track.
ये क्या बकचोदी थी?
गाना है ना?
He's not wrong.
Singham.
He's not
गाना
wrong.
है. गा दिया मैंने.
तड़प तड़प के. The second verse has him. तड़प तड़प.
Yeah, back in the Haveli, he's married. Yes, correct.
अरे यार.
To Ajay Devgan, no? Yeah, I got it.
I think that was.
You got one? Are you ready?
No.
Okay.
I'm just laughing that he's also not ready.
तो भैंचोस अजय देवगन गाने की तरह कम गया.
About, I don't know, 12 to 15 seconds left. Anything? Okay, you have like 5 seconds left. 3, 4, and 5. Abhijit is out. Vinay and the audience, just by default.
I just think of one song. I don't even know if he was there in that song, Nimbuda Nimbuda.
He was there.
Hey,
Yes, you're absolutely right.
इश्क का कोई गाना ही नहीं आ रहा था मुझे.
Oh, देखो जाना.
देखो
हम,
जाना.
Thank
Yeah,
God,
correct.
thank God.
Also, Golmaal, dude. Golmaal, everything's gonna be Golmaal. मेरे दिल विच
इस राउंड में तो
रही
ऑडियंस हमको जज कर रही है.
That was it. That was this part of the regular part of the name game. Now there's an advanced part which is situation based. All right.
Okay.
Situation based में let's go with this one. Sing me songs that mention the word Divana and sing the Divana part of it. Like you basically have to tell me where it comes. Divana. Start. Go ahead.
ये दिल दीवाना.
Divana? Absolutely, yes, you get it. Songs that mention Divana.
दीवाना तेरा.
That's not a
मुझे-
movie.
तो I have to say movie
The
songs.
movie, yeah. That's a, कुछ तो बिल्कुल सामने सामने ही है.
चढ़ा और उसको चढ़ा दे. अब बोल 15 seconds left.
Yeah, just about.
TikTok.
I would say
यार, ये तो प्रेशर कितना बढ़ाता है.
15 left.
This should be my round. हो गया अब तो.
I'm trying to give you some chance, but
मैं
you have about,
दीवाना.
I would say 7
He's
seconds.
making up songs.
Hey, this is his Bengaliness coming forward, composing music suddenly.
ये दिल दीवाना.
हो गया.
हो गया, अभी से वही बोला.
दीवाना.
हो गया. He's lost. He's
So,
lost.
yeah, so you're out. Sorry. It was लेके हम दीवाना दिल.
Hey, this is the plot round for me. Let's do 10 such games.
Okay, what else do you have? दीवाना है देखो
दीवाना हुआ बादल.
अरे यार पुराने गा रहे हैं.
Yes, exactly. दीवाना हुआ बादल. Also
दिल
दीवाना.
बिन सजना.
Yeah, that's great. Also
बड़े आ रहे हैं भाई.
Divan, oh, that's the one I was gonna say. Yeah. दीवाना मैं चला
मजा तो है जब स्टैंजा में अंदर आता हो दीवाना.
वो भी चलेगा बट यू
गाना पड़ेगा.
हैव टू मेंशन दैट पार्ट. You have to
मुखड़े
mention
के
that part of the song. That's fine. ठीक है, you get it full 10 points. This was advanced, so 10 points.
Oh my
for
god!
winner.
Let's do 10
Very cool.
10 rounds of this.
But that was the end of this game.
अबे यार
Sorry.
ये गलत है यार. ये क्या है यार? ये this is not fair. Okay. You do one thing. You take round by round. How many rounds who won?
Oh, depending on how much
that
you're
should be
winning.
The criteria. What is this? This is
A
biased.
game should only last as long as winner is winning.
No, this is fair. No, round wise.
That's fair. Yes.
And
Who won more rounds?
These IITians, I tell you.
I won 2 rounds. You won 1
They
round.
are just like
I should be
very
ahead. How is he
competitive.
ahead?
Okay. I mean, but you are ahead.
I'm not ahead.
Now I think it's very possible.
No, he was very ahead. 30 हो गया था ना.
Okay,
So many 5-5-5.
let's see where we stand at the end of game 3.
I went very Virat Kohli-ish about it. Single. He went full Rishabh Pant. So
We're just smashing. Yes.
Has come up to 25.
25, bro.
We have the audience at 30
Okay.
and Abhijit at 35.
Okay, very close. You just have 2 answers.
ये एक और देना.
यार,
अभी बराबर करते हैं. दिल नहीं कुछ टफ देते हैं इसको.
Okay, I'll tell you then. If
Oh, nice. Yes.
you actually want to do this?
Yeah,
Do
yeah.
you actually want to try?
No,
Yes,
not.
yes.
Why?
See.
Why to change?
See, that's the
These
thing.
things on the
Bengalis.
basis of it.
That's the thing.
Fucking all
These
these-
That's the
Bengalis.
thing. That's the thing. So let's not.
Yeah,
It's not
yeah,
fair.
should
See, it's
give
not
me one
fair.
Yeah.
chance not to
No.
level up.
Do whatever you have prepared with this. Don't change and tweak because of.
Or see, if both of you were game, I could make one
No,
up
no,
right
it's
now.
okay. I'd
But it's fine.
love to have his picture above
Hey.
my sofa. I can
Alright.
draw caricatures on it.
The next game is my favorite game. It's called Versus. This game.
This looks fun.
You
Okay.
played it before. What do you mean
Yeah,
looks
so you
fun?
would know if it's fun or not. How this game works is I will read out the lyrics
Okay.
of the second verse
Okay.
of a very popular mainstream song.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay? Why the second verse? The second verse is the least heard part of any song.
Okay.
Okay? Radio won't play the second verse. No
Okay.
DJ ever plays the second verse.
Okay.
Sometimes when you listen to music yourself, you'll be like, after the first verse, haan, theek hai, ho gaya, and go on to the next song, right?
Yeah.
So the second verse is the least heard part of any song.
Okay.
I will read the lyrics as a piece of poetry.
Okay.
Off tune, just literally like just reading it off tune.
Okay.
All right? And you have to recognize the song. Whoever recognizes it first can buzz in
Okay.
and let me know what the song is. You don't have to ask her the
And it
question this
should
time.
be a question.
No, it should not be a question this time. You don't need to ask her the question this time. You can just say the answer out loud. All right? Let's go. The first one is as follows. Again, these are very simple, so keep it buzzing.
पहले
okay?
बजर बोले ना मी बोलना है बेसिकली और फिर आंसर देना है.
हाँ, correct.
ठीक है.
Yeah, okay. ए वक्त रुक जा, थम जा, ठहर जा, वापस जरा दौड़ पीछे. मैं छोड़ आई
Me.
खुद को जहां पे. यस.
बताओ
See,
जल्दी
he's
बताओ.
still thinking. If you can guess it
मैं
before
मी
that.
कर के हाँ. मी.
हाँ, because he's not guessed
हाँ.
yet.
ए
Say-
जाते हुए लम्हे.
No. So now you can't guess till the hint.
ए वक्त रुक जा थम जा ठहर
You got
जा,
it, you got
वापस
it, you
जा
got it.
दौड़ पीछे.
Exactly right.
मैं
मैं छोड़ आई-
ना लता मंगेशकर ना
Yes.
ना वही तो सोच रहा था उसके आगे आ नहीं रहा ना. तो ये तो हो गया यार गैस. आगे गा दिया मैंने.
आगे क्या
So you have to recognize the song. Tell me the name of the song. Title of the song.
ओ
गया
दिल
यार,
तो
कितना-
पागल है. दिल तो पागल है.
No, it's not.
नहीं
Dilto
द
Pagal.
मूवी.
No, not that also. All right. So now, no. Now how it works is I will half sing each of these lines that I just read right now. For half the points, I will half sing each line. You'll see
अभी
what
मैं
I mean.
वापस गेस ले सकता हूँ
Now you both can. You're also both of you are on the field again. You can absolutely take a guess again. Okay. So now half singing for half points is as follows. Your tune is right. Huh? ए वक्त रुक जा, थम जा, ठहर जा, वापस जरा दौड़ पीछे. मैं छोड़ आई खुद को जहां पे, वो रह गया मोड़ पीछे. कहाँ मैं, कहाँ तू,
मी
है जादू.
हो गया है किसको तो प्यार सजना. कौन सी मूवी थी? DDLJ. I said दिल तो पागल है.
It's fair enough, man.
नाइस
Yeah. Do you have a preference as to DDLJ or Dil To Pagal Hai? You have a preference as to movie?
Obviously DDLJ.
DDLJ or Dil To Pagal Hai?
दिल तो पागल है
day.
तो बहुत ही फनी मूवी थी.
But Dil To Pagal Hai I prefer much more.
Any
than
day I
DDLJ.
loved DDLJ.
Really?
Any
Okay.
day.
Okay. So I
दिल
feel
तो पागल
like
है तो मेरा ट्रॉमेटिक एक्सपीरियंस था.
क्या कर रहे हो? Somebody left you.
No, I went to see it with my parents.
Oh,
ऑर्थोडॉक्स
okay.
फैमिली, वो जैसे किसिंग सीन आया दोनों उठ के चल दिए.
Okay, alright, fair enough.
फिर तू अकेला बैठे देख रहा था.
But ऐसा वो किसिंग वाला भी सीन नहीं था वो.
था,
दूसरा कौन सा माधुरी दीक्षित और
तूने तो 3 बार देखी है लग रहा है.
नहीं था वो.
भी kiss नहीं था,
पॉज
थोड़ा
कर
ही था.
करके अभी अगला
No,
player
it's like
slide वही है.
this was Shahrukh necking, you know, Shahrukh that phase where he just necks everyone.
नहीं, there is a kissing scene proper.
I don't remember this. There is where they are
Arey,
almost
because
kissing.
your family is not
Oh
orthodox.
no, I get what I mean. This
Awkward
is,
happened.
I think I just remember the scene that you're talking about. This is where Madhuri Dixit is acting like she's Shah Rukh Khan, you know, like hey,
She's Maya.
Maya, right? She's acting like wearing the cap and doing the drumming and all that. Doing the drumming, like acting like she's Shah Rukh Khan, and then Shah Rukh comes from behind, Rahul comes from behind, and then they almost kiss, and then she wakes up like, oh,
Maybe.
this was a dream.
उतना तो मुझे
I think that's the one. But
This is advanced game, no 20 points.
no,
That is half points also. इसका भी half मिला है तुझे
this is
बस.
half point.
नहीं,
This is
advanced
2.5.
है.
2.5 मिला है इसमें.
Yeah.
क्यों?
Because
5 होने थे और
hints.
5 का भी 2.5.
यार ये तो गाने पे तो दे देना चाहिए.
अबे तू भाई तू यार
ठीक है,
तू
चलो.
कितना
दो
भीख
ठीक है
मांग
यार,
के
दो
लेगा
हाई
यार
हाई
ये.
करके कोशिश कर रहे हैं अब.
पाई
वापस आने
करके
की.
बनता
क्या
है
करें?
समंदर.
ढाई बन के
7
बनेगा.
गेम खिला दिए उसमें 5 वाले. ये क्या है? चलो.
Okay.
Come on.
Next one, buzzers
Okay,
at the
all
ready,
right.
good people. Okay, नई कोई पिक्चर दिखा दे, मुझे कहीं खाना खिला दे. नई कोई पिक्चर दिखा दे, मुझे कहीं खाना खिला दे, जरा निगाहों से पिला दे, प्यास मेरे दिल की बुझा दे. आज तुझे जी भर के प्यार करना है, तेरी निगाहों से दीदार करना है. That's it. If you want, I can read it again.
Yeah,
Should I read
please
it again?
do.
Yeah. नई कोई पिक्चर दिखा दे, मुझे कहीं खाना खिला दे. Then it repeats. नई कोई पिक्चर दिखा दे, मुझे कहीं खाना खिला दे, जरा निगाहों से पिला दे, प्यास मेरे दिल की बुझा दे. आज तुझे जी भर के प्यार करना है, तेरी निगाहों से दीदार करना है. Half and half?
Can I do
Potentially
negative नहीं है
भी.
ना? Negative नहीं है ना?
No, you can absolutely take it.
Me,
Yes.
चिटिया कलाइया.
No, not.
Okay.
There are no negative points. You can absolutely just take a wild guess also if you want, just to eliminate a song if you want.
किसी डिस्को में जाएं.
No, not किसी को बचाएं. Going to half for half.
गोविंदा गाना है क्या?
I can't help you right now. Okay, half for half is as follows. Keep your buzzers ready. Okay. नई कोई पिक्चर दिखा दे, मुझे कहीं खाना खिला दे. नई कोई पिक्चर दिखा दे, मुझे कहीं खाना खिला दे, जरा निगाहों से पिला दे, प्यास मेरे दिल की बुझा दे. आज तुझे जी भर के प्यार करना है, तेरी निगाहों से दीदार करना है. Anything? No, nothing? Nothing.
It's a 90s song, I think.
Yes, you are right. I'll do the half singing again if you want. Okay. Is it ringing any bell at all?
हाँ, वो जो
Okay.
पहली लाइन गाई थी ना, तो I could
Yeah.
recollect some memories of the song, but
Sure. Okay, read again.
मम्मी पापा फिर से बाहर चले गए थे.
first पैरा गा देना.
I'll half for half again. Okay, sure. नई कोई पिक्चर दिखा दे,
ऐसे करिश्मा कपूर नाचते दिख रही है.
हाँ, करिश्मा
मुझे
कपूर ही
कहीं
है.
खाना
90s.
खिला दे.
यार गोविंदा नहीं है. करिश्मा कपूर पे हाँ बोला तो गोविंदा.
चलो
पे भी है.
हाँ यार, कृष्ण गोविंदा यार, एंजॉय करो लाइफ.
गोविंदा करिश्मा कपूर is just
एंजॉय करो लाइफ. चलो, नई कोई पिक्चर
तुझको
दिखा.
मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूँ?
Wow, he got it. Yes, it's my. मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था.
Nice, nice.
रास्ते से जा रहा था. Yeah.
2.5 more.
अबे यार, क्या जिंदगी है, लानत है.
जिंदगी झंडवा.
ढाई अगले में 1.25 कर.
मैं तो पहले जो मैं गाना बोला ना, I was picturing this song but I said something else.
मुझे भी करिश्मा कपूर दिखने लग गई थी और मैं सोच रहा गाने का नाम क्या है वेंचर गाने का नाम. I
And I
could see
said
the
some other
dance.
song, I don't know which
This
one
is
I
Coolie
said.
number 1. मैं तो
Yeah.
रास्ते से जा रहा था. 995.
हाँ.
फिर इसको मैं जाने said. Yeah. That's a Ravina and Govind song. Okay. Next up. Buzzers ready, guys. We're going retro. Okay, because I want to capture some of these people's parents' hearts also. Okay, so this is a 70s song. I'll tell you the
Okay.
exact year, 1971. I don't think that'll help you, so that's why I'm telling you the exact year.
Yeah.
1971 is where this song is from.
Yeah.
It's a very popular song that we still listen to till this day.
Yeah.
I imagine you guys are fans of the song also.
Okay.
All right, let's go. चाहे जिएंगे मरेंगे, हम ना किसी से डरेंगे, हमको ना रोके जमाना, जो चाहेंगे हम करेंगे. आ आ आ आ आ आ आ आ.
ठीक है.
That's the
Me, me, me.
Yes.
आ देखे जरा.
No, very close though.
Can you repeat the lines again?
Sure.
अभी मत कर वैसे.
Okay.
सत्ते पे सत्ता.
No, not chai, not that.
Can you
Okay.
repeat the lines?
Now, now
points.
half for half then, okay? Okay, let's throw to the audience. Can you do
अरे
half
but
for half?
half and half हमारे साथ तो कर ले पहले.
नहीं,
It's okay,
audience is
उनको भी तो
doing half for
मौका
half for
मिलना
you.
चाहिए.
Do it in the mic, do it in the mic.
But you will need a script also, lines of
You
the
want the
song.
lines? Wow, he knows, bro.
he
This
knows
guy,
the song.
baller. Yes, he got it. Correct. डरेंगे हमको हमको
अरे क्यों
हमने क्या
quick quick yes he got it
Oh fuck! अभी भी
Well
ढाई
done,
ढाई
well done.
ढाई ढाई.
What is this life? I hate it.
See, huge round of applause for Hamza. That was very well done.
Nice,
Very
nice,
cool.
nice.
Very cool. Man, baller.
दमारू.
I can do that for you, bro. Sorry.
Both singing साथ में. This is.
Okay. Buzz is ready. Next
Okay.
go, next one. Okay. जाती है तू कहाँ जाने मन जाने जा लड़की है तू खूबसूरत लड़का मैं नौजवान तुझे गले लगा लूं आ पलकों में बिठा लूं आ That's it.
ये भी 90s है.
फिर से रिपीट कर एक बार.
Yes. जाती है तू कहाँ जाने मन जाने जा लड़की है तू खूबसूरत लड़का मैं नौजवान तुझे गले लगा लूं आ पलकों में बिठा लूं आ एनीथिंग एट ऑल
गाना पड़ेगा.
ओके हाफ और हाफ करो अब यू सी अगेन देयर आर नो नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स इफ यू वांट टू जस्ट एलिमिनेट अ सॉन्ग क्या पता सही हो जाए यू नो आई रीड वन लास्ट टाइम
एक सेकंड.
हाँ बोलिए
2.5 आगे आ जाएगा.
आई रीड वन लास्ट
एक सेकंड आ गया मुझे.
Okay. Can you try singing it?
But you won't give me the points, no? You want
Not
the
for singing,
mukra,
I do,
Why
yes.
will I
Yeah.
hint him?
Okay, fair enough, fair enough.
बहुत competitive है यार.
नहीं पर ठीक है I will let him think for a few more seconds. Okay. And now Jeet, what else is up, man?
See how I'm not on his ass for going forward and trying to distract you saying words like
जरा सा झूम लूं मैं रिना रिना.
nice.
Baller, full five, full five.
Nice.
Pass,
Finally 2.5
bye.
ahead.
2.5
Oh my
ahead.
Yes.
Full
It's
five.
a brutal game. This one.
But dude,
Because you have to sing the whole song and then like we were both stuck with
Yes.
Mukra in the last one.
but you're
Dam
slaying,
Maro
bro.
Dam.
You're killing it. You were
the
afraid
songs.
in the beginning of the episode. You were afraid that there are no easy questions or what. I won't get any
No,
of this.
because plot मेरे को याद ही नहीं रहता ना, तो I
Fair
lost
enough.
it.
See, that's what. No, some people का strength is some other
Yeah,
one
yeah.
aspect. Some
I
other
am
people's
into a
strength
little
is-
bit of music, तो इसलिए मुझे ये सब
Music,
याद
yeah.
रहता है.
Fair enough. That makes sense. Next one. We have at least 3 more in this game.
Why?
This is way on the
Why?
top.
Let's
Because
do
it's
plots
going so
again.
fun.
Let's
It's
do
so
plots.
fun.
And increase the stakes now.
Let's do the plots again, man.
Okay, चलो. Buzz is ready, okay? ओ मेरे राजा तू बड़ा नटखट है अपनी तो स्टाइल यारा बस कट्टू कट है पुत्र शक्ल से तू लगता तू जट है आशिक है आखिर तेरा अपना वट है
Can you go again?
Yes. ओ मेरे राजा
दुनिया
तू
में आए हो तो love.
No, not that. Now you can't guess till the hint round.
एक बार
Till
repeat-
half
just
half.
repeat first
I'll read,
now.
I'll read for you. ओ मेरे राजा तू बड़ा नटखट है अपनी तो स्टाइल यारा बस कट्टू कट है पुत्र शक्ल से तू लगता तू जट है सॉरी पुत्र शक्ल से तो लगता तू जट है आशिक है आखिर तेरा अपना वट है
No fucking clue, bro. I can
No?
just see people dancing. Again, Karishma Kapoor dancing or somebody like fucking.
तभी तो मैंने वो बोला.
Alright, then I go half and half.
Yeah.
Half and half is as follows. ओ मेरे राजा तू बड़ा नटखट है
बड़ा नटखट है कट
Go ना.
Okay. He's trying to-
लगता तू जट है. तो इसके बाद मेरे दिमाग में आ गया
No.
दुनिया में आए यही तो है.
दुनिया में आए हो तो लव कर लो
ऑलरेडी
Okay, चलो I'll go half for half as I was intending to. Okay. ओ मेरे राजा तू बड़ा नटखट है, अपनी तो स्टाइल यारा बस कट टू कट है, पुत्र शक्ल से तो लगता तू जट है, आशिक है आखिर तेरा अपना वट है. Have you guys got it? Okay.
ओ मेरे यारा तुम
ओ मेरे राजा तू बड़ा नटखट है. Sing it again, Vinay. How are you singing it?
सिंगिंग तो वो पकड़ लिया था मैंने, बट वो मैं बीच में म्यूजिक चेंज करके वहां चला गया. दुनिया में आए हो तो लव कर लो.
दुनिया में आए हो तो
Isn't
लव
it
कर
fitting well?
लो.
इसके बाद म्यूजिक डाल के देख. दुनिया में
आए हो तो लव कर लो,
लगता तू जट है.
थोड़ा सा जी लो, थोड़ा मर लो. हाँ. Okay, I don't think you guys are getting it.
Yeah.
Should I just throw it to the audience?
Yes, please.
Yes, audience, sir.
ओ गूगल कर लिया.
No, they don't Google.
I think it's from Dulhan Hum Le Jayenge.
Like
Okay, what is the
30
song?
seconds.
अरे हो गया यार, अब तो ऑडियंस को जा
Now
चुका है.
audience is already
दुनिया में
thinking
आए
it.
हो तो लव कर लो.
I've still not named it. If you want to try, it's okay.
दुनिया में आए हो तो लव कर लो. थोड़ा सा हाँ भोसड़े तू मेरे वक्त कर ले डिस्ट्रैक्शन सारा. मैं तेरे वक्त दुनिया में आए हो तो लव कर लो. दुनिया में आए थोड़ा सा जी हो थोड़ा कर लो. दुनिया में आए हो तो लव कर लो. लव कर लो. लव कर लो. लव कर लो. दुनिया में आए हो तो लव कर लो.
This is what passive aggressive fights with Abhijit are like.
तब से करे जा रहा है यार. मैं इतनी देर से एकदम कि चलो कंपोजर ये बोला मेरे 15 आधा मिनट का जो सोचना होता है उसमें 30 सेकंड तो यही खा जा रहा है मेरे कान के सामने गा के. ऐसे क्लियर किया था आईआईटी तूने हैं? दुनिया में आए हो तो लव कर
You mean he did win an IIT
मैं
by
गा दिया यार,
disturbing?
वो मुकड़ा याद नहीं आ रहा. क्या करूं?
दुनिया में
You're
आए हो
saying, you're
तो
saying at
लव
IIT
कर लो.
he used to disturb the other students so they don't score as well as him.
एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में वो भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के वक्त में दूसरों के
आंसर.
दुनिया में आए हो तो लव कर लो.
I don't think Abhijit is going to give you a chance.
नहीं वो वैसे
Throw to
ही
the
गा
audience.
रहा है यार.
Just figuring out the movie only. Dulhan Hum Le Jayenge. मुझसे शादी करोगी?
That's the song you're saying? मुझसे शादी. Yes, you're absolutely right. Correct. It's रात को आऊंगा मैं तुझे
तुझको
ले
ले जाऊंगा मैं
Same ही है यार,
बनाऊंगा
दुनिया
मैं
में आओगे
मैं
तो इस
आऊंगा
रात
मैं
को
जल्दी से
Same
आना
chords.
चोरी से जाना अच्छी नहीं जिंदगी
मुझसे
शादी करोगी मुझसे शादी
All right, guys. The next line of the lyrics of the song would have been लस्सी पिलाऊंगा मैं पेड़
तो ये you are not supposed to reveal.
I can't.
वरना
because
खत्म ही जाता.
it's like
Yeah.
like a giveaway. All right, here you get it. Let's go. 2 more in this game.
man.
Okay.
Very fun.
all these
Fun तो है.
songs
लेकिन दिमाग गर्म हो गया. I need something to like eat.
ठंडा.
हाँ.
Oh.
funny
Okay. Well, let's see what.
Melody. Oh nice.
No, actually.
yeah why are we not getting any melody here
हाँ,
like
वापस repeat.
one of
Okay,
the answers
so-
you should have got melody
So basically, you know how the melody thing works, the melody angle, is that every time the audience get points, no, I'm supposed to throw melodies at them, but very often I just forget. So I've made it to कि if the at any point in the game the audience is actually leading the game, okay, at that point I throw melodies at them, but they haven't got melodies in a while, so this is just a enjoy. Okay, that's how you do it. To catch the melodies. That's awesome. Okay, you can. Okay. Okay, let's go. The last song in this game is as follows. This is again retro. This is from 1975.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if you guys get it. बसते बसते बस जाएगी इस दिल की बस्ती, तब ही जीवन में आएगी प्यार भरी मस्ती. बसते बसते बस जाएगी इस दिल की बस्ती, हाय तभी जीवन में आएगी प्यार भरी मस्ती. हमारी दास्तां कहेगा ये जहां, हो हमारी दास्तां कहेगा ये जहां. Go ahead. Should I read again? Oh.
जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे खुशी हो
तो
या
90s का
गम
है.
ना हूँ
हो गया इसका, अब नहीं कर सकता है.
अब चाहे चाहे बलती हंसते
90s का है.
हंसते
You're wrong.
चल जाए रास्ते
No, you're wrong.
Spotify है.
You're wrong. So now you can guess till the hint round. Right? Anything? I'll read again one more time for you. बसते बसते बस जाएगी इस दिल की बस्ती, तब ही जीवन में आएगी प्यार भरी मस्ती. बसते बसते बस जाएगी इस दिल की बस्ती, हाय तब ही जीवन में आएगी प्यार भरी मस्ती. हमारी दास्तां कहेगा ये जहां, हो हमारी दास्तां कहेगा ये जहां. Advanced level, bro.
Very advanced, musically advanced level.
Yeah. कुछ anything like a formulation about you?
ड्यूएट है या सिर्फ फीमेल वॉइस है?
You're right, duet है.
ड्यूएट है.
Yeah.
अरे यार ये वही गाया जा रहा है. चलो फिर गा के दिखाओ अभी.
Okay, half for half then is as
ये
follows.
करने नहीं देगा.
How does it feel like playing
अरे, I
next to
stopped,
Vinay?
no, I stopped last game.
This is what it has been like 4 fucking rounds.
No, it's just one time.
Till
यार.
you just
Okay, it's fine, no worries. चलो, buzzers are they ready? Half for half is as follows. बसते बसते बस जाएगी इस दिल की बस्ती, तभी जीवन में आएगी प्यार भरी मस्ती. बसते बसते
अरे,
बस
तो वही हो गया।
जाएगी इस दिल की बस्ती, हाय तभी जीवन में आएगी प्यार भरी मस्ती. हमारी दास्तां कहेगा ये जहां, हो हमारी दास्तां कहेगा ये जहां. Oh, nice. Should I read again?
Is it duet male female or is it duet male male?
Oh, male, female. Yeah.
Okay.
But should I go again? Okay. बसते
वो
बसते.
आखिरी वाले 2 लाइन बस.
Okay.
उसी से फील आई थी. ये तो वो रिपीट है.
Okay. Fair enough. तो प्यार भरी मस्ती. हमारी दास्तां कहेगा ये जहां, हो हमारी दास्तां कहेगा ये जहां. The ho comes again right after this line also. Like कहेगा ये जहां. कहेगा ये जहां. Sing it. कहेगा ये जहां, हो हमारी दास्तां कहेगा ये जहां. And then ho comes again. You decide the tune of the ho, and that should help you a lot.
हम दोनों 2 प्रेमी.
No, sorry bro. So now you're out.
एक सेकंड मैं कर लेता हूँ कि
आ जाओ.
Can you just
नहीं वो नहीं है, मैं पूछा ना. अरे भाई मैंने पूछ लिया.
अमिताभ बच्चन और धर्मेंद्र
मैंने
का.
पूछ
अरे
लिया.
तो बात कर.
मेल नहीं है, मेल फीमेल है. अरे मेल
हमारी
फीमेल है भाई.
दास्तां कहेगा
it's a
ये
male female duet.
अरे he is also
Yes.
thinking
Okay.
what I was thinking.
Okay.
मेल फीमेल है. बैठ जाओ. मुकद्दर का सिकंदर था वो.
तू मुकद्दर का सिकंदर सोच रहा है, मैं वो सोच रहा हूँ. मैं तो बीच में वो शोले का ही सोचने लग गया था.
80s है ना, 70s.
75 है फुसड़ी के.
75, yes. Actually,
सुड़ी
same
के ही
here.
बोल दिया यार. ये क्या है? अरे भाई,
इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली शोले के बारे में तो गलत मत बोल यार. इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली भी मूवीज का जीतने वाला है यार.
Anything?
ये हो गया. इसके बाद
हो
घर
गया,
जा
खत्म,
रहे हैं.
खत्म.
अब घर जा रहे हैं. मैं नहीं खेल रहा और थक गया मैं. भूख लग रही है.
Let's go to the audience.
हमने तुमको
देखा.
Oh, I was so
हमको
close.
देखा ऐसे.
सचिन का ही गाना है यार.
Yes.
हम दोनों 2 प्रेमी.
yeah,
Oh,
correct. हम तुम जानम.
इस पे मिलना चाहिए 1 point. I was so close.
क्या है
I
यार
guess
ये?
the singer.
क्या है यार ये?
The vibe is the same.
How long have we been recording for?
हो गया
1
यार.
hour, 1
10
hour.
बज गया भाई.
2 और राउंड करते हैं.
अबे
हाँ?
नहीं यार.
2 और राउंड.
So we have this game is over. We have one game if you guys are game.
Yes,
नहीं
yes,
यार,
I'm
it's
game.
too late now.
I'm game. ये भैंचो
It's
जो
10.
इतनी देर से साला
I have a
वो
call
कर रहा था
at
जैसे ही लीड
10:15.
करने लग गया ये.
call at-
I have a call at पता घड़ी देख के टाइम देख के बोला इसने 10:15.
No, he said it's going
चल,
to be
चल.
90 minutes.
एक
It's
और राउंड.
95 minutes
एक और
already.
राउंड
Oh, wow.
कर ले. एक और राउंड कर ले मैंने.
कभी कॉमेडी शोज पे ऐसे बोलना ये 90 मिनट का 95 मिनट कैसे हो
I
गया?
don't want to be sporty. He was not letting me think. No. 2 times he meddled with me. So
Guys,
game
so-
over. I won, guys. Thank you so much for having me. Guys,
Let's do one
you
more
can, on the comment section, you can write something good about me.
Let's see where we stand at the end of this game. Let's see the scores.
42.5.
I am just going to drop a message to Anu Menon now. Your revenge has been taken.
Ashish, what are the scores after this game?
We
We have Abhijit and audience at 35.
All right.
Vinay is leading at
37.
Oh,
It's not leading. The game is over. Vinay has won.
Okay, it's over. So if you don't want to play this last game,
Last
Abhijit will
game,
do it.
last game.
Abhijit will play, and then maybe he'll
Hey,
win.
ये
You know?
कैसा होस्ट है यार? आप भी मिले हुए हो, स्कोरिंग वाले भी, ये होस्ट भी मिला हुआ है. What is this? अकेला ही हूँ क्या मैं? कोई नहीं है मेरे साथ.
Okay. Last one. The last game is called Why So Critical. There's only one round in this game. Okay, so don't worry, Vinay, you'll be out of here very soon. Okay?
Okay.
Why So Critical? This is the movie review game. I have identified a movie and found a movie review, like a
यार ये
review
तो
of
प्लॉट
it.
वाला हो गया. He'll win.
अरे रोना बंद
Wait
कर
no.
खेलना
Wait no.
पहले
Okay.
ही रो देता है
कितने पॉइंट का गेम है?
This is
क्या
10
है
points.
यार
I'm
यार?
going here. I'm going.
10
I
point game.
concede.
10-point game. It's the movie review game. I have taken out 11 lines from a movie review of a very popular film.
But this is plot only, bro.
It's yeah. Wow, everyone's like, it's chill now, bro.
Even audience
Relax,
is like,
man.
calm the fuck
win.
down, bro.
I came here to win. Okay.
And you could well win with.
I will not. I'm
He
telling
With
you.
a
gave
huge
23
margin.
rupees on the rickshaw to come
No, I
here
had to pay
fucking
extra. I
win.
gave 50. He was not coming only. I want
Okay.
my refund if I lose. Okay.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो ठीक है done. I'll
50
give
rupees
you.
दे देगा यार।
50 रुपए लेके
You know what,
जाऊंगा।
dude? I'll drop you home. You live so close by. I don't even mind that, dude.
तेरे बचा दिया उसने बता
हाँ ये सही है. ये अपने 50 बचा है.
वो भी correct. It works. It works. Okay, so I've chosen 11 lines from a movie review. I will reveal
Okay.
each of these lines, and
Okay.
after each line, I will give you guys a chance to guess what the movie is.
Okay.
ठीक है? You guys.
It's an actual review that came in a paper.
Actual review that was in Hindustan Times. Today I use Hindustan Times.
Okay.
Each time I use a different reviewer from a different
And
magazine.
this
This
movie
is-
could be from any era.
I'll tell you. I'll give you
Okay.
like some details about the film before you get started, so you know in what ballpark to be thinking.
Okay.
Okay. Each more hint or line from the review that I give you minuses 1 point that you can win in the game. So there are 10 points in total to be won. After the first hint, it becomes 9 and then 8.
and
then
after
7.
every hint we can take a guess
After every hint, you take a guess. Both of you. You guys can, it can be a buzzer round. Let's do a buzzer round in this one. Whoever gets it first can go first, okay?
And if you press the buzzer and say the wrong answer, then
nothing
Nothing. No negative points.
next
All
hint.
good. Yeah, next hint. Exactly. ठीक है? Your buzzers are ready?
Okay.
I mean, not right now, but I'll tell you. Before you start, that this movie released in the 2010s. That is between 2010 and 2020. That decade is when the movie came out. It is
Okay.
rated 7.6 on IMDb. So you know
Okay.
what caliber of movie you're thinking of.
Okay.
Okay, it's not like totally crap or something.
Okay.
And the reviewer whose review I'm using, Rohit Watts for Hindustan Times, he rated the movie 2.5 out of 5.
Okay.
wow
Okay.
that's less for 7.6 on IMDb
Yeah, so sometimes reviewers are a little more critical
Yeah.
than the general public about a movie, right? So you know that's where it's coming from. So 2.5 out of 5 stars by Rohit Watts for Hindustan Times, 7.6 on IMDb, and released in 2010s. That is between 2010 and 2020.
Okay.
Let's go. The first hint from the review is as follows: an underworld don threatens Dash of dire consequences if he doesn't attend his Ganpati Visarjan ceremony. Dash confides this in his father Dash. So these are random
ही
lines
होगा।
taken from different points of the review. Some will be from upar, some will be from niche.
Sanju.
Anywhere.
एक मैं बोला था यार. What is this? चल भाई घर छोड़ के अब.
Bro, it took me an hour to note down all these fucking.
I told you. And I told you.
Note all this shit down, you know.
Did I not tell you?
You know how long it
You
takes?
were saying, no, wait, no. I told you it's going to be the plot and I'm going to lose it. What the fuck?
Could not have planned this, dude. That is amazing.
You book me in Uber XL now, okay? For 1 kilometer.
Uber XL से जा रहा है। so close bro slow close
Yeah.
Very well done, bro. Abhijit.
What nonsense.
just
is
give
that?
him hope
What nonsense is this?
tiny
ये हमारे साथ वो हुआ है जो अरविंद केजरीवाल के साथ होता
taunting हुआ है तुम्हारे
सब
साथ।
मिले हुए हैं, ये सब मिले हुए हैं. What is this?
My God.
चलो but good fun guys.
good fun
Guys.
दिमाग गरम हो गया यार.
The results are in.
गाने में तो भाई
Yeah.
गाने में
एक
तो
गाना तो पूरा गा
भाई
के
तू
और
तो फिर भी
मुखड़े
कर
पे.
पा रहा था मैं तो गाने में I was feeling like a limited brain child who's just not able to get anything nothing is working everything
Same
is
with me in
Excellent.
plots.
Guys, this was one of the most enjoyable episodes I've ever done on the show. Thank you so much for doing this. Can
How many times has he
Vinay,
said this? Never.
Very rarely.
Yeah.
Vinay, your
Contestants
thoughts?
must want to win, then it becomes interesting.
Yes.
ठीक नहीं है, ऐसे कैसे ठीक है? बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है ये. What is this?
टॉन्टिंग हुआ हमारे
हमसे ये
साथ
बहुत
ये
गलत हुआ
taunting
है
हुआ
हमारे साथ.
Vinay, thoughts about
आप
your first
हमारा
time?
इकोनॉमी के बात आप एक्सपोर्ट का बात करिए
आप हमें बाद में कॉल करिए, हम आपको कल समझाएंगे कि इसको कैसे इसमें पॉइंट
we are just doing loose talk references
Sure. First thoughts of being on just that filmy game show.
It's good fun.
Thank you.
would have been more fun if you would have won it you basically
I have one. I don't believe in
Okay.
what the judges believe. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I
I'm
would
a
like-
winner at heart, dude.
I would like to because this is my second victory
Yes.
and there is no proof of the first victory. I would like Vinay to believe that he has won and we can
I
give,
already believe
give him
it.
the poster.
I want your photo. I'll show you what I'll do with your photo.
Fair enough. Let's go. So, announcing the scores. The audience is in third place with 35 points.
Oh, I
very
came
cool.
second.
Yes, you.
Even in unfair.
Coming in
Point
in
system,
second place
second.
with 37.5 points is Vinay Sharma.
Please don't clap.
Very cool.
I'm not happy with the results.
And being crowned the biggest of all Bollywood badshahs, the one, the only, with 45 points, with Abhijit Golgule!
Yay.
Party!
Camera किधर है? Cheater.
Oh shit.
That.
Acceptance speech.
Best part for me was when he was leading and he strategically said that मैं अभी निकलना है उसके बाद भी स्कोर पे उसको
जबरदस्ती यार. I was getting late.
क्या
I had to call.
अचानक से एक्सैक्टली ना इसका तो वो वाला
I'll
चेयर
have
भी
to
नहीं है बट
take
मुझे
the-
छोटा होता हुआ दिखा हुआ ये क्या बात
Sometimes being a sport doesn't,
Excellent.
I'll have
Acceptance
to
speech.
take the
though.
call while I'm in the cab now.
I would
Oh,
like to
sorry, bro.
I would actually like it'd be fun to see the rest 9 lines of the last round
You want
कि
to-
क्या क्या है क्या नहीं है
वो मेरे को end तक भी नहीं आता पता है. One वाले पे सीधे one वाला दिखा.
सीधा one वाला?
मान वाले पे तो
last
समझ नहीं आ गया था बट
अगर इसने लिख ही दिया कि डबल रोल और वो क्या
So this would have been
कपूर प्लेइंग संजय
this was
दत्त
second
ने
last.
किया
This
तो
one
मैं
was
बोल
second
देता
last. This one was second last. The second last line was in Dash we witness an immoral womanizer who is ashamed of himself deep
Oh,
down.
हाँ, इसमें
This
कर
phase
देता.
of Dash the
AK-56 पे
film
कर देता.
and then it ends
तो
with
1 point मिल जाता ना.
delaying the topic of terrorism AK-56 and RDX like that और कौन होएगा and then the last line is basically just this whatever. All right ठीक है we get it. Acceptance speech. You won a huge award Abhijit. Who would like to thank? Your friends, your family,
I would like to thank
Vinay. For not being as good as me.
for fucking with
For
me
accepting.
for the first 3 rounds. Every time I'm trying to think of a song, he's just and making me just lose it and be coming down to his dirty practices in the
Get out
4th
of your
round.
level.
But yes, fun, good fun, great fun.
Thank you,
yes,
man.
I'm
This
very
is
happy
great.
to
What an
yes.
episode. Huge round of applause to the audience for joining us.
Yes, thank you.
That's it. Anything to plug, guys, before we end the show?
क्या प्लग करें भाई?
Instagram पे follow और Instagram पे
शो तो मेरा कल
show
है तो बाद
updates
में
है।
आएगा YouTube पे.
तेरे शो
कल
के
वाले
बाद
शो को
आएगा।
कैसे करूं?
कल कहाँ है शो?
कल आएगा ही नहीं ना उसमें तो बाद में रिलीज होगा.
Please follow them on Instagram. They're both
Happy
hilarious.
New Year
comedians.
guys.
Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and Happy
And
New Year,
Happy New
guys.
Year.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us, guys.
Thank you for having
Please
us.
follow all the other shows I'm doing. That
Yes.
begins to dekh hi rahe ho. Check out Pop Conversation. I co-host with Snehal and Abbas. Check out Spender Bender that I produce for Govind and Hoshang. And check out Crickheads that I produce for Siddharth Dudeja and Shami Chakrabarti. Thank you so much, guys, for joining.
Follow us
in.
on Instagram and YouTube
Yes.
if you don't
Yes,
already.
absolutely do that. And hit the subscribe button, like the channel.
Smash that like
Come for
button.
the live, huge announcement, guys.
Press
this
the
is
bell icon,
a
guys.
regularly recorded live show. Okay.
Especially if you're living in fucking Powai. I mean,
yeah. और क्या है करने को तुम्हारे पास? तुम पवई में जी रहे हो. Good life. Come for a good show. You know.
खुद यहीं
That's
रहता है.
every Friday and Saturday, mostly. Depends on my availability also from time to time. But that's okay. You'll see it. You'll see it on Book My Show. All right. See you guys again next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye.